Hey, Brent. Good morning. Hey, assistant. ED's handler, Blake. Good morning. E.T. Good morning. Rusty. Good morning. Nice to see you. Chris. Alex. Good morning. Good morning. Markets are going crazy. Yeah, they are. Right? Steve. Good morning. Hailfire's in the house. Jomar. Selvin. YOLO. HK. BD Mining. Gilly. Harry. Good morning. Good morning, Rusty. Good morning, Crypto TikToks. I see you. Hey, Frank. Nice to see you. Good morning. Guys, how was your weekend? Straight to Ando, says Sylvan. Girl, that XRP long is printing. Uh-oh, I changed my music. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. Is printing. There we go, Blake. Spacey is in the house. B-Dogs, good morning. Nice to see you. Tom Pavlowski, nice to see you. Spacey sharing the live like a G, like he always does. Good morning. Guys, Crypto TikToks is in here. He is a very cool creator. If you want to go and check him out, please do. Spacey, thank you for sharing the live. I'm sick 4 hours after landing and tweeting. I got sick. Oh no. That's the worst. Spacey, thank you. Debs is in the house. Guys, good morning. I am Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning, every single weekday morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. Crypto TikToks. Hope you feel better. Gilly, good morning. Nice to see you. Deb, the assistant. Rusty J, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Good morning. Hey, Matt. Nice to see you. Guys, I hope all of you had a great weekend. Blake, what is your pick this morning? We're going to take a look at the markets, guys. We're going to go there in just a second. My weekend was great, Solano. Thank you so much. Yo, Solano. I'm sorry I missed the yo. Nice to see you. Mikey, thank you. Good morning. Okay, done. There we go, Spacey. You did it. Nice to see you. Deezer Jack, good morning. How are you? Always this happy? I don't know. I am happy, guys, right? We're here. We're alive. Dream to action. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to my mods. No need for a specific coin call. The whole market upside, guys. Let's go. Formix, nice to see you. B-Rose is in the house, guys. Give him a follow. He is one of the good creators on this app. Thank you so much for being here this morning. B-Rose and Dream to Action, two on my mods. Is it bullish now or a fake out? We don't know, but right now we're going to be bullish because the markets are. Such a beautiful life. Good morning. Nice to see you. If Blake says that, you know it's true, usually, right? Blake is usually on point. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. Thank you so much for being here this morning. You guys know I adore you. Every single person in this live, 81 people in the live in 2 minutes. Guys, thank you so much for all of your support. I appreciate you. BTC hitting my resistances. We shall see what happens. Crypto TikToks, you got it. We're right at the top of the bear flag. We got up on top. We're holding it as support right now. Can we hold it and move further is the question. Big on that, usually NFA. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, neither is Blake. Blake's on fire. Hey, Andy, nice to see you. Thank you for sharing the live. Guys, here we go. I'm going to go through my business real quick, and then we're going to get to the charts, because obviously it's a bullish morning, right? I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being in my crew, my crowd. We have a great crowd here. This is your first time here. Say hello to me in the crowd. I would love to shout you out. We have a kind, welcoming, and respectful crowd in here. Mark Carmichael, B-Rose, thank you for the gifts. Guys, I donate 90% of my gifts to someone in need. They are going to a young woman who has been diagnosed with colon cancer. She is a niece of someone in our community. I am happy to pay those forward. Good morning, Dill. Nice to see you. I am happy to pay those forward, guys. It is one of the best things you can do for me, for the channel, and for someone else to pay it forward. Thank you so much for allowing me to do that. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just a chick. I have a backwards hat on. I have a crop top on. This is what I wear every day. Financial advisors do not wear that to meetings. So please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TNA alone. You will get wrecked. Guys, I was wrong last week. If you had copied my trade, you would have been wrong and you would have gotten wrecked. Right? I am only human. Did I see Cosmic's apology video? No, I did not. No, I did not. Guys, I will say something really quick. I was thinking about this on the way to work. My intention in posting anything is not to ruin anybody. Guys, he has been right a lot in this market. And he is still a really good person who made a mistake, right? My intention on posting on something was so that the narrative stopped around what I said, and that was it. Guys, do not unfollow him. Let him work from his regular account, because you guys, he is worked on that for 4 years, and it is not fair that he get wrecked by this. So I will say that right now. We lead with kindness, 150%, guys. And you know what? If he was right about this market, which he may well have been, and this was not about that, then he deserves to work from his account and keep building it up. And guys, everyone makes mistakes, right? So I just wanted to say that this morning. I appreciate him. I've always appreciated his content, and I started out on this app with him being my favorite content creator. So please do not cut him or cancel him for one mistake. I do not want that of me, and I do not want that for him. Okay? So that's all I'll say about that. I appreciate it. Thank you, Blake. Who are we talking about? Cosmic Crypto. Guys, he has taught me a lot about this market. We'll never forget that, right? Doesn't mean just because we're not partners that I don't think that he is worth following, and that I don't think that he's a hard worker, right? Or that I don't think he's a good person. Guys, I'm sorry I missed a bunch of comments there. Uber guy, thank you. Crypto Never Sleeps, thank you. Nice to see you guys. Give him a follow. He's a great creator. It is what it is. Do nothing wrong as a person. We have no worries. Guys, we all do stuff wrong, right? Do it every day. Scented Pleasures, Biohazard, nice to see you. Here we go, right? We are going to go to the charts. Couple of things before I start, right? Couple of things before I start. Number one, I have an off TikTok group. I know, HK, I will. Mama B thing, thank you. Nice to see you. B Dogs, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Guys, we are to take the high road at every turn, right? We are to take the high road at every turn. We are to give grace, and we are to be respectful of each other. That's it, right? We do that. That is doing the best that we can, in my opinion, right? Guys, I have an off TikTok group. If you are not in that group and you would like to try it out, it is 7 days free right now. Please come and try that group out. If you would like to learn how to chart and to trade like I do, please come and try it out. It's 7 days free. You can't lose, guys. It is a paid group. I know it is hard to get people in there. However, there are people learning and growing and supporting each other, right? And learning how to make money and pull it out of this market every single day. I teach a class in there every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to come and learn with us, please click the link in my bio. Come and learn with us. Thank you for the follows. Guys, if you have not followed me and you're here for the first time, please follow me directly from the link. I will get to the charts in just a second. I have a couple of business things I have to do, guys. That's it, right? And then we're going to get to the charts. If you have not followed me, please follow me directly from this live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. There are about 600 of them on this live. You will not be able to find me after this live. Please follow me directly from the live. Market is going up. I can buy a lot of cat food. There we go. Took profits on XRP today. There we go. Congratulations, Damon. Nice to see you. Second thing, guys. If you're a leverage trader, or if you are looking for actually only if you're a leverage trader, and you are looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on, this is my code right here. It's Bullish Babe. I trade on Bitunix every single day for 2.5 years. They're my primary exchange. I have had no issues with them. That doesn't mean you won't, guys. No exchange is 100% proof. However, if you are looking for non-KYC exchange to trade on, Bitunix is the place for me. Please split up your capital, guys. If you don't split up your capital, you can get wrecked by an exchange if it goes down, right? We do have my campaign. It is a 20% bonus on deposit for anything deposited over $100, up to a $400 bonus. You deposit $100, you get $20. You deposit $2,000, you get $400. Thank you to all of you who have already done that. Guys, if you're a leverage trader and you're trading already, this actually helps you. And it helps my show. You guys get a bonus. I get commission. That's how it works. Thank you to those of you who have already done it. Guys, let's get to the charts, right? Again, I'm Chelsea in the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you to my fire mods, Doug, Damon, Scented. Thank you. Thank you so much. Rude Boy, Assistant, Money Talk, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, Dream to Action, B Rose, Eric Watson, and Lady Long Term. Thank you so much for being my mods in here. I appreciate you. I have her P&L, said Rude. He's been on fire, guys. He has been trading and learning, and he's been on fire. Bearish Babe for a year. Let's turn it around. Let's hope, guys. I'm going to make myself small. We are going to make the charts big. I'm going to put baby in a corner. We're going to get to the charts now. Why? Because it's time, right? It's time. And I don't really like this song, so we're going to change this song. It's a little, yeah, there we go. We'll do a little Fat Joe this morning. Good morning to all of you. XLM is up today, guys. We're going to do XLM. We'll do XRP. We'll do Ondo. I know I've seen that in the crowd. We're going to do as many as possible today. Guys, Bobby, thank you so much for the follow. Here we go, guys. I'm going to move to my charts. Thank you, guys, for being here in here every single morning. D, thank you. Here we go, guys. My Coinbase charts were lagging, so we're going to see how they work today. I'm eventually going to switch, but I haven't moved my lines yet, so we're going to start off on here. Where are we going to start off on, guys? We're going to start off on the daily. Canton. Yeah, we can take a look at Canton. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. Here we go. Happy Monday. Let's do them all, says B-Dogs. There we go. Let's do them all. Guys, 143 people in the live. The best thing you can do for my channel is to repost this live out to as many people as you can. Tap the live for likes and chat in the chat. That really, really helps the channel. Uber Guy, Prison Blockchain. Uber Guy, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Alfred, nice to see you. We're going to start off on the daily. Here we go, guys. Here's the daily. We're going to be very frank right now. And what is that? Right? We are moving ourselves up. Let's go, babe. BitBlaze, nice to see ya. Here we go. Woohoo, says Blake. Guys, thank you to my team. Blake, I'm hoping Farrell will be in here today. Where is Skyman when you need him? Guys, let's summon him, right? Ethereum is up 10% today. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. On the daily, what are we doing right now, guys? We are breaking out of this bear flag. Now, what did we say? We could break out of this bear flag, and where would we most likely head? I am looking at 68.9, right? 68.9. We get up to 68.9, and we get up and over it, and we get to 70K, and we hold that. Guys, we got a little bit more of a run. I am not bullish on this move until we get up and over 69K. ETH is up 5.56%, says Crypto TikToks. There we go. 63.1 entry. Guys, let's go. I need break even, says T. Aptos is up 8% today. Let's go. We will conjure Farrell. Everyone type Farrell in the chat. Let's get her in here. We need her, right? Here we go. On the daily, we are breaking out of this bear flag. This bear flag has been in play for a really long time. What do we have to do, guys? Now, the daily is getting overheated, right? But XRP is up 9.41. Stefan, good morning, right? Hey, late to my own funeral. W pattern. Yes, it is breaking out of the W pattern on a lower time frame. Good morning, CA Sergio. Nice to see you. Exactly. Flag is still in play, so we will see. This is why you guys, good morning, Stefan. Good morning, The Mist. This is why we have to constantly adjust our lines, guys, right? We keep our lines, but we make sure that we adjust them. Why? Because in this market, what they have been doing is they have been widening out the flags, right? Does anyone at all trade BTC? They do in my group. Yeah, Stefan, right? So here is the thing, guys. On the daily, we are getting overheated right now in the Stokes. But what I've been noticing lately is that the RSI has actually been carrying us. Hey, Chris Moss, nice to see you. Good morning, late to my own. Here we go. So I've been noticing that the RSI is actually weighted a little bit more than the stochastics at this point. Let's go down to the 8 hours. Sad for them then. Yeah, things have a better ROI, right, Stefan? It just depends on what kind of risk management you have. Hold on one second. Here we go, guys. We are turning up on the RSI on the 8 hour. Guys, you guys know that 8 hour is my favorite time frame. Why? Because it's in between the 4 hour and the daily, two higher time frames that are weighted heavily, right? Here we go. The RSI is pointed up. We also have a bull flag right here, guys. This is looking good, right? On Bitcoin, we are sitting right at a resistance right now, and it's an important one. Here it is, right here, remix to ignition, guys. Mother of Dragons, good morning. Girl, daily. I just went to the daily, Blake, right? The RSI is pointed up. However, right, we have to get up and over that resistance, and right now, right, 8 hour, 66,455. We need to get over this. Damn, I missed it. I mean, Blake, I'll go back to the daily for you. Blake, we'll go back to the daily. Here's the thing. We're getting overheated on the Stokes. I don't love that for the daily, but we have a W pattern that we have broken out of, right? We are open. Doing TA, my laptop is painful. Send help. There we go, right? We are breaking out of this W right here, guys. That is what we are breaking out of. We broke out of here. That target is much higher. We're going to go to a lower time frame to see where that target is. Daisy, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. We are getting overheated on the Stokes, though, Blake, right? And the RSI is turning a little bit. So let's go to the 8-hour. We're going to work through the time frames like we usually do in here. Sorry, today, no gift. I have to make up for my lost week. I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at myself. Stefan, that's all right. Hopefully you will make up for it now, right? If we make this move to the upside and we got it, let's see what happens, right? Here we go. You don't have to send me gifts either. Here we go, guys. Here's the bull flag right here. We're going to extend this out so you can see it. Here is the bull flag. We have already broken out of that W pattern. Here we go. Here's the pull. Here's the flag right here. Bring this up. Guys, here's the target, right? And the RSI is gapped and pointed up. This is why I took profit just in case, Andrew. That is a smart idea. MACD is still showing upside on the hour. RSI pointed straight up. Exactly, Blake. Right? The RSI looks to always do when I win. Thanks to you. Thank you, Stefan. I appreciate you. Right? Here we go. Guys, no one, just so you know, right? I'm not a financial advisor. No one should be taking my advice for buying, selling, or trading. And if you do, you could get wrecked, right? Because I am not on here all day long. And number two, I'm human and I make mistakes, right? So just be really careful. Do not follow this as anything but me looking at the charts. Ain't no May, the market makers have dumped the plan just because the war is over. Guys, we don't I put something in my story this morning. We do not know that this is over either, right? I'm going to be bullish today because I see bullishness. However, it is not over until it's over, right? And right now it is not fully over. So the news pumped us. Guess what? The news can dump us too. I'm not overly bearish, and I'm not saying we're not going up right here. However, be careful, right? When we have a news-driven pump and it is not completely done, we have to be careful. Okay, 161 people in the live, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you. Here's what we have to do. We have to get up and over 66,443. That is your first level to the upside. We don't get up and over that. We can roll over right here, and that daily Stokes wants to roll over, guys. The VP tells us we should get stuck here. There we go, Crypto Talks. Right? We are right at resistance. We don't get up and over this, then we can roll over. However, I'm going to give you the levels to the upside and the downside. I always do, guys. Right? This is not about the fact that the charts are telling us exactly where they want to go right now, and they're going to stick to it. They're going to move on a candle. It's Monday. The peace agreement is due Friday. 5 days of utopia. There we go, late. Right? Here we go. Here's a bull flag, guys. How do we measure a bull flag? We measure from the top of the pole to the bottom of the pole. We are also sitting on the moving averages here, guys. They are under that. What does that mean? They are going to create support. They're going to create support. And we are sitting on them right now, this bull flag. You take it to this supposed breakout. There it is, guys. First level to the upside, 66,466. Second one to the upside is 67,359. Odd when I type, it's real time. It's not posted in the chat. Interesting, Blake. I don't know what that's about. Let's see. I don't know what that's about. Here we go. Good morning, Kelly. Nice to see you. Guys, if you want to join my off TikTok group, learn how to chart and to trade like I'm doing right now, it is in the first link in my bio. It's 7 days free right now. I think we had 5 people join last week, and they are all in those classes every day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys want to come and learn, please click the link in my bio. Here we go. Here's the bull flag, guys. 66,466, first level to the upside. Second one, 67,364. Guys, if we get up and above 67,364, I will think that we're going to make it to my level that I am going to flip a little bit bullish, right? A little bit bullish. Christian, DC, sorry, I'm always loud. I'm sorry. And this is a pump day, so I'm probably going to be even louder. I'm sorry. There is a volume button, though. If you turn it down on your phone, I'll be a little bit quieter. Then it'll be like I'm whispering, right? Then it'll be like I'm whispering. Here we go, guys. We have the RSI turned up on the 8-hour. It is gapped. What do the gaps tell you? The gaps, I don't see an 8-hour chart on my trading view. Fish fan, you have to add it. You have to add it. It's not an interval that a lot of people like to use. It's just my favorite time frame. So if you add it to the interview, guys, if you want to add the 8-hour to your chart, here's where you go. You go right here. You go to the add customer interval button. You click that and you add the 8-hour. All right, Fish fan. Nice to see you, Tamper. Use your volume, says Damon. Guys, here we go. If we pump up here to the target is 67,733. Christian, Uber ride, Chris, thank you so much. We get up there. I love your energy. I wish I could stay. I'm in class right now. Later is the golden era. Nice to see you. Have a great day. If we get up here at 67,733, guys, if we get up here, we will most likely run to our next major resistance at 68,866. That is the level I have been talking about all week, right? All last week. We get up and over that level, we can have a bigger run, right? Here we go. We're going to go down. What do the gaps on the RSI tell you? Guys, they tell you we have time. That tells you that even though the Stokes are overheated, we flex, nice to see you, even though the Stokes are overheated, right, on the daily, and they may be overheated right now on the 8-hour, the RSI is giving us time to pop up more. That is what these gaps on the RSI mean. Gap between the RSI 6 and the RSI 12 and the RSI 12 and the RSI 24. It's hitting that today. Brent Lewis, let's hope, right? David, 501, good morning. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Here we go. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Here we go, guys. Let's go down to the 4-hour. 4-hour. Getting over, guys, this is what I've seen over the past few days. The stochastics are getting overheated. However, the RSI is starting to tilt up when the stochastics are overheated, and then they tilt up. G7 Blade, thank you so much for the follow. That is a rising wedge. You got it, Rui. It is. That's why we have to pay attention and we have to be smart about this. Good morning, Rui. Nice to see you. Right, Todd Knob, nice to see you. Good morning. Here we go, guys. We do have room on the stochastics and the RSI. RSI is tilted up heavily on the 4-hour, right? This is looking like it wants to push to me. South FX, thank you for the gift. Right? Looking like it wants to push. We know we're in a bull flag. We have gotten up and above a major resistance and we are holding it. And that is the top of the bear flag. However, there is a rising wedge right here, guys. If we cannot get up and over 68.9, here we go. What news caused the market to take a blue pill? We know, right? The possible peace deal, saying that it was over. However, not over for 5 days. Right? So what the market is assuming right now, guys, we have some days in between before it actually gets finalized. Be careful in your trades. Guys, if you are not using a stop loss, especially this week, please use a stop loss, right? Please use a stop loss. This is a big W. Yeah, it is. It is a big W, and it's already popping out, and that's formed a big bull flag, right? 4-hour. Guys, the 4-hour is looking like it wants to push too. Tarek, good morning. Looks like it wants to push too. Let's go to the 1-hour. We work our way from the higher time frames, and we work our way down. Oh, look at the 1-hour, guys. James Boyd, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Look at the 1-hour. Guys, here we go. I don't like this music today. Hold on. Hold on. It's not like hype enough. I don't know. Right? Let's see. We need those dance jams. Yeah, here we go. All right, here we go. Guys, look at the 1-hour. The 1-hour is aggressively pointed up on the Stokes and the RSI. RSI 6 has pushed through the 12 and the 24 to the upside. Guys, it wants to push through this resistance. Hyperliquid dumped it open. Guess what that means, Boosh? Right? Hyperliquid down. Rest of the crypto market usually up. Why? Because Hyperliquid runs with crude. James Boy, thank you. Right? Check out Samurai Work Music on YouTube. It's fire. There we go, Crypto TikToks. It is a big W, Donald. There we go. Good morning, 501. Guys, we want to push through this, right? The lower time frames have got to support the 1-hour. Kingfish is in the house, sharing the live like a G. Thank you so much. Such a beautiful life. Good morning. We above the RSI. Guys, let's go. RSI 6 has pushed through the 12 and the 24 to the upside. We've got the stochastics heavily pointed up. Finally, a little push. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go down to the 30-minute, guys. We're going to work through our time frames today. Now, the 30-minute is rolling over. Why is the 30-minute rolling over, in my opinion? It is looking to form a bear flag. Bull flag. Not a bear flag, guys. A bull flag, right? Here is the poll right here. We know that we're in a bigger bull flag. However, finally a little push, scalp trade. Guys, scalp trade with a stop, right? Here we go. We are rolling over on the 30-minute. However, we know that the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the 8 hour are all trying to push on the RSI, guys. Listen, this has been happening for the past couple of days. Crypto pop-up, thank you. James Boyd, thank you, right? Here we go. Team Cosmic, you know what? I am too, right? I hope he succeeds as well. Just because we're not partners anymore doesn't mean I'm on his team and I want him to succeed. AM Glenn, thank you so much for following the live creator. Thank you. I appreciate you. Kelly, I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. This looks to me like we are building a little bull flag on a lower time frame, right? Here we go. 15-minute. Here. Oh, there it is, guys. There it is. See what's happening. We are in a bigger bull flag to the upside. We are now forming a little bull flag on a lower time frame, the 15-minute, right? And we are curving up on the stochastics and the RSI, guys. What is it telling us? The 8 hour, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, they all want to push. The 30-minute is rolling over, right? However, it's only rolling over to allow the 15-minute to pop out of the bull flag. We're probably going to see this now, guys, right? We're probably going to see this now. Blake, you seeing this? Here we go. Good morning, Lady Long Term. Guys, thank you to my fire mods. Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Lady Long Term, Eric Watson, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Dream to Action, B Rose. Thank you. I appreciate you. Here we go. BB's handler is in the house. That's my husband, right? Here we go, guys. Here's the poll. Here's the flag. We're on the 15. How do we measure a bull flag? Loving my ship. Annalie, it's running, right? We got some of the memes running this morning. Here we go. Here's the poll. Here's the flag. You take this, drag it to the supposed breakout point, guys. Here we go. I see a lot of familiar faces there. There we go. Guys, B-Rose is in the house. Give them a follow. Crypto Talk, TikToks is in here. Thank you for being in here, guys. What did I tell you? Scalpers, guys. This bull flag looks like it wants to pump out. BTC is just going to back test 66.116. Clem, you know what? I wouldn't hate it if it did, to be honest, right? If it did that, that would be great. Here we go. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Yeah, we can do bonk today. Guys, why not do some of the memes? Here we go, guys. This bull flag looks like it wants to break out. However, we see both patterns. Yeah, we can do Ondo's already on my list. Look at, guys, we see both patterns. This looks like a bull flag that wants to break out. However, we have got to be able to see both ways every single day. If we don't, we will get caught. There is a little bear flag inside of the bull flag. Here's the poll. Here's the flag. Guys, this breaks down in this bear flag and we don't pump up. Bullish, says Farrell. Farrell Candles is in here, guys. Say hello to Farrell. Good morning. What are you seeing? You're seeing bullish, right? I'm seeing it too. Good morning. Money flow is rotational and into small caps. Guys, let's go. Your alts are going to run, is what she's saying. Good morning. I hope you had a great weekend. Guys, Farrell is our specialist on the VIX, and we are honored to have her and Blake here every single day helping me with the charts. Good morning. Here we go, guys. I just short after watching this. No, don't short or long based on watching this at all. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am just doing what I do every day, and I would do this regardless of whether I was in here with you guys or at home, right? Alt run, says Farrell. Guys, let's go. And bounce now. Guys, we are turning up on the Stokes and the RSI is pointed down a little bit. Here we go. We drop out of this bull flag. Inside of the big, who's shorting? I mean, I know it's summer, but there we go, Farrell, right? If you're doing memes, just give people STH new and look at Troll USD. She just a bullish babe, not a bullish financial advisor. You got it. Crypto TikToks, right? Greetings from Ireland. Love your uplifting content. Thank you so much, 50 plus. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the poll. Here's the flag. There's a little bear flag inside of this bull flag. Guys, we are either coming here and we're going to break the moving averages on the 7-minute at 65.921, or we are going to pop out of this bull flag, which, by the way, I think it is more likely that we are going to pop out of this bull flag than break down in that little bear flag, but I got to show you both ways, right? We pop out of this bull flag to the upside. Here it is, guys, 66,854. 1 minute, gonna pop us. Let's go. I'll go down to the 1 minute, right? I'm considering getting a financial, yeah, actually, crypto TikToks, I was thinking about that too. And we are bullish listeners. Thank you so much, CK. Let's go to the 1 minute. Guys, Blake is at the 1 minute. Yeah, guys, the 1 minute is gonna try to pop us here. I do see a head and shoulders here though, Blake, right? I do see a head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. If this does want to break down that head and shoulders, we will only go to the moving averages, and then it can hold it. But the MA is holding us right here, guys. It does look like this wants to pop out. What we need is for the 1 minute to reset and start moving up for us to pop out of this bull flag. All right, did the 21 cross the 200? Not right now. Not that I see it. And what time frame are you talking about, Genesis? Little VIX bounce bear at 1640. Little reversal here. Guys, she's saying there is a reason for us to actually break down in this little bear flag if they don't want to hold the MA. Does that mean this is over? No, it doesn't. This is a little move inside on a little time frame inside of a big time frame, right? Big time frames, which ones matter more, guys, especially when they're clumped together and have the majority? The big time frames, right? Kelly, Crypto Pop-Up, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I'm Chelsea, I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being in here. Thank you for being my crowd and my crew. I came from you guys. I will never, ever forget that. It humbles me every day to see you all in here. I appreciate you guys. I am having such a good time being in here with you guys every day. Thank you so much for all of your support. Right on support. Yeah, it's hanging on to support. Let's go to the 3 minute. Let's see what the 3 minute is doing. Yeah. Actually, Blake, this looks like it wants to break down to me. 1 minute is rolling over. 3 minute is rolling over as well. It looks like it may want to break down before it breaks up. But could it only break to this support? Yeah. Guys, look at the rollover on the Stokes and the RSI. Little bear so far, just chop out. Crude is flat. Indexes are strong. This does look like it may want to roll over here, guys. And if it rolls over, it's just a little head and shoulders, right? 30,000 likes, guys. Let's go. Thank you so much. Here we go, guys. There's a little head and shoulders in here. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. It is just a little blip, though. It may not break down that entire little bear flag if we don't pop up. You measure from the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. You drag this down. This is a little tiny bump to the downside. Even if it comes down, it does. It's headed at the math. Farrell says, guys, it's probably going to break down right now. This is how we do minute-to-minute TA, right? And I mean minute-to-minute. But just because the minute breaks down, it does not mean like we are, I feel like the note on your screen from May 2nd is lonely. I don't know what that means, Lady Long Term. I'm sorry. Wolfbits, Mario, Kelly, thank you so much. Here we go. Guys, we are either going to break down to here, right here. If we break this level, here are the levels right now, 66,103. I don't know, been seeing this pattern all along this parabola. Let's see, Blake. If we don't get 100 likes, I'm going to be disappointed. Come on, folks. There we go. BTC notes. Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it's a little outdated. I didn't even mean to have, yeah. Lady Long Term, you're the one that taught me that, right? It's a little outdated because I haven't done anything since then, right? Here we go. Guys, we break this. If we hold on to this level right here, like Blake's saying, right? Which, guys, Blake is right a lot of the time, especially on the lower time frames, right? 66,106. We got to hold on to this. We don't hold on to this. We're coming down to this level first, 66,032. And then this level right here at 65,847, right? We break out of this bull flag and we hold this level at 66,124. We're going to pop out of that bull flag. We're coming here first at 66,426 and then to the target at where, guys? Here it is, 66,828. MACD changing. There we go, Blake. Mudane front running. You got it, Farrell. Guess what I'm in, right? Guess what I'm in. Good morning. Guys, Blake is saying the MACD is changing. We may be shifting. We're going to pop out of here. Guys, here are the levels I want you to yell at me at. We're going to go to some alts today. Why? Because we're running. Why not go to the alts, right? Why not go to the alts? Let's go here. We're going to go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Guys, here's a level. We break, if one of my mods could pin this in the chat, if we break 66,437, I want you guys to yell at me in the chat. We're going to come back to Bitcoin. We're going to jump around a little bit today. As Bitcoin moves, what you will see is this. Bitcoin will move. Then the alts will move. Then Bitcoin will move sideways. Then Bitcoin will move sideways and the alts will move. And then Bitcoin will move again. If we are truly in a bullish area where we are getting more of a push, that is exactly the movement that you will see. 66, 437. Yell at me, says Kelly. Thank you. Guys, and the level to the downside is 65, 522. We break that level to the downside, yell at me as well. Actually, if we even get close to there, okay? If we even get close to there, let's go to the alt. Guys, if this bull flag breaks out, yell at me, Blake. I know you will, right? Yell at me. Guys, let's go to XRP. We're going to go to XRP first. We're going to do XLM. We'll do Ondo, Canton, and Bonk. If you guys have any more, you can drop them in the chat. I rushed through Bitcoin a little bit fast today. I'm super proud of myself, right? Super proud of myself. You can yell, not us. There we go. You can yell at me in the chat, though, Stefan, right? Quant and Tau, please. Yeah, Ondo, guys. We're definitely doing Ondo. We're going to do Bio, right? Good morning. I am Ray Todd. Nice to see you. You're the one with the mic. Hey, Jay Dan. Nice to see you. Crypto Stock Markets. Nice to see you. Shib. Yep, we'll do Shib. And I missed one. Here we go. You're the one with the mic. Here we go. Guys, Jay Dan is in the house, right? Give him a follow. He is a great TA specialist. He is a great trader. Thank you to all of the creators that have come in here and supported me. I appreciate you. Thank you for your notes this weekend. I appreciate you. There's still a lot of money going into SpaceX, so we aren't going to the moon just yet. You got it, Solano. Ondo Mama. Guys, we're going to do Ondo, I promise. Actually, I will do XRP, XLM. Then I'll go to Ondo. We're going to go to Canton, Bonk, Bio, Shib, and Tau. We're going to try to get through these today, guys. Right? My target for XRP hit 125. JDN, killing it. Killing it. Right? Killing it. So nice to see you. Oh, Quant. We'll do Quant too. I mean, guys, I'm a long talker, so who knows how many I'll get through. Guys, if you want to join my group, you want to learn how to chart and trade, and you're in here for the first time, number one, please do say hi to me. We'd love to shout you out. Second thing is please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. They will try to scam you in your DMs. I do not care about my follower count. I care about your safety. I am Ray Todd. Thank you so much. Guys, give him a follow. He is a main mod for Blockchain Bully, who does a live with Caveman Fantasy and Crypto Weewo on Sunday nights. They do a great job. Please give him a follow. Thank you for being here today. Follow JDN, follow B Rose, follow Crypto TikToks. Thank you so much for being in here. I appreciate you. You're the GOAT. Thank you, Wolf Pipes. I appreciate you. I'm not the GOAT. I'm just a chick, right? I'm just a chick. Here we go, guys. Let's go to XRP. Let's see what XRP is doing. I'm going to go to the higher time frames. Guys, thank you for the follows. I appreciate you. If you want to get into my school, I teach in there every single day. It is not a signals group, right? 5 people joined last week. It is 7 days to try it free right now. All you have to do is click the link in my bio. Come in there and learn. Farrell's in there. Blake's in there. Skyman's in there. Guys, we have a great team in there. We are learning, supporting, and growing. Come and try it today at 7 days free. XRP is math. Math is clean to extend. Nico, there we go. Let's go, guys. Right? Let's go to the 4 hour. We're going to start off on the 4 hour on the alts. Gives us a little bit of room. Guys, look at what we popped out of. Let's go. Right? Here, Solom Spartan is in the house. Thank you so much. Here's a big W. Right here, we're popping out of the W. Right? Solom, thank you. Where does the W go to, guys? It goes right here. We talked about this on Friday. What is today? Monday? Yeah, we talked about this on Friday, guys. Here is one hump of the W. Here's the second hump of the W. I'm going to take these lines off because I don't need them anymore. I don't need them anymore. Guys, XRP powering up to this next resistance right here. Right? Here we go. Here we go, guys. Good morning. Guys, here's our next resistance level right here. We measure a W from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the W. Thank you, Solom Spartan, one of my OGs. Been with me since like pretty much day one. There it is, guys. That is confluence. If you don't know what it is going straight. That target on that W is going straight to the next major resistance, right? Here we go. We break out of here. Where are we going to? That W is taking us directly to 127.11. Farrell, do you have a line there? Rickus, good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, give Farrell a follow too. She is making content right now. She is full stacked on some of these assets that you guys should take a look at, do your own research, and maybe get into. That is not financial advice. That is just saying we need to do our own research. 127 Bitcoin. Love hearing that. No, this is not Bitcoin. Larry, this is XRP. XLM has lead of 14% on the day. Guys, let's go. Here we go. W pattern breaks out of here. We've already broke this trend line right here. 119.10. Next level is right here, 127.22. That puts us up and over the 50% level in the channel. Guys, that is bullish for XRP. Where are we going next? Here we go. I'm going to extend. Guys, I have to go to a higher time frame to see this and might be leading the drive. We're going to go to XLM next. Thank you, Pharaoh. Right? What a great day. Coming for the stops. Guys, be careful. Right? Randomize your stops. Do not put them on a whole number or anywhere else where everybody else is. Where are we going next? The moon, says 501. Guys, here we go. If we break this level right here, where are we going? First level to the upside is 127.58. I'm going to give you all the levels. Next level to the upside is this diagonal resistance right here. Guys, remember, we will move out of any building heat, says Farrell. Guys, remember, Lady Long-Term, thank you. Remember, we will not go in a straight move up. We will go jagged, and we will chop out, and we will make shoulders for the shoulder and the head that we're seeing, right? We are not going to go straight up. When $6? Not right now, right? Not right. I mean, I can't say that for a fact. Funny, I had 126.82. B-Dogs killing it, right? B-Dogs is in the school. He's learning, growing, and being supported. Guys, if you are in my school, please put a W in the chat. Guys, these are all people who are in that class almost every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? Here we go. Little Luther Vandross for you this morning, right? There's the W's in the chat. Thank you guys so much, right? They are working their butts off, and they are making money. Congratulations, you guys. Everyone, have a great day. Great day to get to work. Irish Boxer, one of my first fan ever. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Guys, he's been such a big supporter of mine as well. It's so nice to see you this morning, along with Solon, right? Here we go. Guys, first level to the upside, 127.34. Next level to the upside is this diagonal trend line right here at 132.71. Now, guys, if this wants to make another shoulder on this side, be careful. What may happen is we may come up here and instead of busting through, pow, thank you. Sun for Life, thank you, right? I love this channel. Cars in place, thank you. Oop, Ando just broke out too. Guys, we're going to get to it, right? Here we go, 132.71. If we break out of this and we power up, great. Where are we heading to? We're heading to this diagonal trend line right here, guys. This is why we have levels. We go from level to level. You get up and over one resistance, you go to the next one. You get below one support, you go to the next one. Junha, thank you. Sergio, thank you. Sun for Life, thank you. Here we go. 127.34. Next level is right here at this diagonal trend line. 133.64. If this wants to create a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, guys, this is going to come down to this support, tap off of it. We need to form support now, right? We cannot just go straight up. We go straight. I mean, we can, but then we've got to come down and form support if we want this move to continue, right? Here we go. We get up and over this level at 133.41. We are most likely coming here. And guess what? Why are we coming there, guys? Because if this forms either a wonky W or an inverted head and shoulders, you go from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the head. You break this out to the supposed breakout. Guys, what was the W's for? The W's are for the people in my group, Dan, in my school. That's what they were for. I almost said stop. I can't keep up. Here we go. Mine showing 123. Yeah, there we go. We're at 123 right now, right? We're at 123 right now. We break up above the 133.41. Your next level is here at 147.88. And guys, if we get up to 147.88, look at what we have in store. It is right here, guys. Adjust this a little bit. I don't know whether to count out that wick or not. All right, guys, here it is. I'm gonna adjust that line back to where I had it. Whenever I screw stuff up, I end ended up screwing my levels up. So we're going to adjust it like I had it. Here we go. For second level to the upside, I'm banned from Skool. No, you're not, J-Dan. You can come in anytime you want. You are welcome anytime. Flo, thank you. Guys, 133.41. Next level to the upside is right here at 144.18. Guys, we get up and over that level. Look at what we have in store. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Right? We break that shoulder, head, shoulder, guys. We are getting up and over the channel. Right? We're getting up and over the channel. Next level to the upside is right here at 148.81. Next level is here. Spam call because I didn't turn it off. Next level is here at 163.41. And then we are free of the channel. Glassmaster, good morning. Nice to see ya. There we go. All right, here we go. We need this to stick, not up and down. You got it, Irish Boxer. Here's your levels to the downside, guys. Right? I always give you the up and the down. Why? Because we could roll over at any minute. Right now, guys, right now on the 8 hour. I love this for XRP so much. Look at Why Not is in here, guys. Thank you, Why Not. Nice to see you guys. Give him a follow. He's a great creator. He handles memes, and I mean handles memes, right? If you guys like the memes and the trenches, and he has great content, go ahead and give him a follow. Thank you for being in here this morning. I appreciate you. I didn't know that I have XRP. There we go. We need this to stick, not up and down. There we go. Good morning. Here we go. Thank you. Why not? Nice to see you. Guys, I love this for XRP right now. Look at this curvature on the Stokes and on the RSI. RSI is pointed aggressively up. Real hope. Nice to see you, right? We are pointed aggressively up. We are also gapped. That means we are aggressively pointed up and we have time to go up. Why not? Thank you. I appreciate you. We are curved up on the Stokes, guys. This is telling us we could get a massive push here. Right? Believe that upside. Mikey, thank you so much for the gifts. I appreciate you guys so much. Right? Here we go, guys. We get up here. We get to the top of the channel. We're going to get there by going. Here are your levels to the upside again. 127.51. Next level to the upside is this side. No trend line at 133.64. Next level to the upside, 144.23. Next level, 147.58. And your final level to the upside is the top of the channel right now at 166.23. We break that to the upside. Where are we going? 175, guys. There it is. Those are your levels to the upside. I'm going to go down to the 4 hour. We're going to check them out. I just want to make sure that we are covering everything. But guys, this looks like it wants to push, right? Looks like it wants to push. Guys, thank you for the follows. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for being in here. Here are the supports that we need to hold. First support we need to hold to the downside, guys. 118.89, right? We are getting overheated on the 4 hour. But what did we say? If this does come up here and tap this level right here, Nico, thank you. Heads up, dollar has some inverted diamond math setting up. Guys, be careful. What I was just going to say, Farrell. Oh, Farrell, I'm so glad you're in here. I am so glad you're in here. Guys, Farrell just said, be careful, right? We have some inverted math going on the dollar index. We're going to check it out in just a second. However, here's your levels to the downside. I do see a little bit of a rollover here. On the 4 hour, we got to be careful, right? And what did we say? If we come up and we tap this resistance at 127.25, what this could do is want to come down and create a right shoulder. Guys, a lot of the time when we see a shoulder on the left side, a head, what does it want to do? It could be a wonky W and it could just break out of there. However, right, it could want to create that right shoulder to rebalance the pattern. She's rolling. I'm going to go down to the lower time frames, guys. It is look like we're rolling on the 4 hour, right? Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we're rolling on the 1 hour too, guys. What do we need to do for this to continue, right? This is why, guys, this is why the charts move as they do, and you can never call anything 100%, right? That 4 hour, that 8 hour looked wave 4 correction. Guys, follow J Dan, right? He works with Elliott Waves, something that I don't work with. This is why it is good to have all kinds of creators in our community. J Dan just hit 1618. There we go. Support at 6222. Guys, there we go. I'm going to roll back to Bitcoin in a second. Let me give you the levels to the downside on XRP. 66, damn. Guys, we have got to always be prepared for everything. It's why I give you the levels to the upside and the downside. J Dan is saying it just hit this 1618. Guys, fibs. Right? Jordan, thank you for the follow. Here we go. Here's the levels to the downside before I move over. We are rolling on XRP. Guys, be careful trading in this atmosphere. We have news that has not been followed through on, right? I cannot say it enough right now. This is not a guaranteed pump and push to the moon, right? Here we go. This rolls over. Yeah. And guys, look at this, right? If this rolls over on the 1 hour, your indicator that we are rolling even further is if the 1 hour candles start opening below the simple and the smooth moving average. In my opinion, we roll down below those guys. We've got farther down to go. Here's your levels. We roll past the simple and the smooth moving averages right here on the hourly. The hourly is the time frame to look, in my opinion, at those moving averages. If it starts to open candles below or above them, that usually means you can take a long or a short, usually, and that's not financial advice, right? 10 a.m. dump. Here we go, Blake, right? First level is around here, 120.19. That's bleeding the moving averages. These are to the downside, guys. First real level to the downside is 118.94. We need to hold that if we want to keep going up. We don't hold that. We're coming down to this level right here at 117.36. And you guys know, if we break 117.36, we have broken back into this rising wedge right here. This can dump us out to this level at 110.03. We're going to wait and see how this plays out, guys. I'm going to go to Bitcoin for a second. And then your levels are here. First target to the downside, 110.09. Second target to the downside, 102.62. And guys, if we break that, we're going to the bottom of the channel. That is it. It is cut and dry on XRP. We start rolling over. Bullish Babe Cat says hi and drink water. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Cat. Nice to see you. I don't know. My music isn't on point this morning, guys. Sorry. All right. Here we go. Guys, it's still in a bull flag, though. It holds on to those moving averages. We can still pop out. We need... There we go. 121 and 118 and back up 127. There we go. Guys, J Dan, 121 and 118 back to 127. Is that my levels too, J Dan? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, 118, right? 121. There we go. Guys, there it is. J Dan and I have pretty much the exact same levels. Why did I say that? The moving averages are right here. I said 120, right? 127. He said 121. He has 118. Guys, 118, right? And then bounce off and back up to 127, right? That is what I'm looking at there. Great song. What is the bottom price for BTC? Ice Tracker, my bottom price is between 38 and 43. Bulls are pressing back. The mini bear drives on the VIX. Money flow is still small cap facing. There we go. Look at this, Stefan. A little reuniting in here. I love that. 5 minute. Let's check the 5 minutes. All right. Are you on BTC or are you on XRP, guys? Blake. 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute is creating around. 5 minute is creating an Adam and Eve double top, guys. Right? However, this is starting to turn again. We may not even go down there. I'm going to go to BTC. We're going to roll to BTC for a second. We're going to see what's happening. Let's take a look. All right, 5 minute, guys. We've got a bear flag on the 5 minute. Right? Here we go. We're rolling over at the bottom of the channel. We're rolling over on the RSI. Not a great look. Here it is. Right here. Here's the bear flag, right, that we actually clocked earlier. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We break this down, guys. We're going to break down this diagonal trend line right here. We break down at 66.088. Very, very likely. We're going to come down here at 65.941. However, good morning, Michelle McGann. Nice to see you. Pi Network, thank you. I think rebound, but I've been wrong before. There we go, Blake. Right? We've all been wrong before. Here we go. Look at, I love this reuniting in here. Right? Greetings from Belgium. XRP for me, we just did it. Guys, we are also forming a bit of an M pattern here. I don't love that, right? Here is one hump of the M right here. Here's the second hump of the M right here. Guys, this could be the M pattern that starts breaking us down for a little bit of a dump. We're at 10 a.m. Needs reversal there or drive math is invalid. Guys, Pharaoh is telling you we need this reversal right here or else we cannot pump up more. Good morning, Michelle. So nice to see you. I hope all is well. Did you get my message? Guys, listen to Pharaoh. Lauren H with the corgi. Lots of bullish and bearish fighting here. Yeah, it does look like it. Guys, right here. We break this level right here at 67.094. We're coming down here, right? I need you guys to yell at me if we break this level right here. 66091, right? 66091. Michelle, I'm so glad you're here this morning, right? We break 66091, or we break this level right here at 66431. I need you to 3, 2, 1, and send, says Blake. What are you doing? 1 minute. Yeah, guys, the 1 minute looks like it's coming down, right? And it looks like, guys, we said this before, there is a little shoulder, head, shoulder. It breaks this level, 66.1. We're coming down, and that is what happened when Solom, tired of the bulls advance, slammed the spear down and bear flag. Solom, you did this? Did you do this? Right? Here we go, guys. Bitcoin, you guys know my levels. Thank you, Michelle McGann. Guys, you guys know my levels. If we break them, yell at me. We're going to go to XLM right now, right? We're going to go to XLM right now. Let's go. XLM. Here we go. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I took a short yesterday and getting wrecked. Why? Guys, I do not like to trade on a Sunday, right? Everyone in my school knows that. It is too volatile, right? If you don't want to get wrecked, stay off of Sundays. Sundays are not, why are you shorting the bottom, says Dan. Yeah, guys, we should not be shorting right here anyway. Number one, we're in indecision. Number two, we've had a pump. Number three, we've held our support all weekend. Like, this is not the time to short right now. You've had the last 6 months to short. If we want to go down, I'll sell 4,000 BTC on the market on Binance just to kick us down. There we go, crypto TikToks, right? Guys, stay away from Sundays, in my opinion, right? Unless you are a short-term scalper, there is really no reason to trade Sundays, right? Really no reason to trade Sundays. It's too volatile. Weekly close, daily close, Asia open. It doesn't make any sense. Too many swings, right? Found it. Yen is Arab in a bull drive, pulling VIX bearish. No strength yet, but they battle. Guys, we got to watch this. Let's see what's happening. Hydrate. Thank you, Andy. And doing the president's, Michelle McGann with the jellyfish. Thank you. And during the president's own event, he's bound to say something like that. Exactly. Guys, thank you so much for the gifts. I appreciate you. Data Nat, nice to see you. You're amazing. HW, thank you. And send. Is it going now? It's probably going now, right? 1 minute. 3 minute. Guys, we're all rolling over. It looks like we want to come down, right? Gibby, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the note this weekend, too. It was very sweet. Thank you. ASL Cousins, I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. I think we're breaking down in this head and shoulders. We're going to go to XLM. Not on my watch, says Blake. Blake, you think we're... Oh, so I can see a little curvature here. However, I think we're coming down at least to the diagonal trend line at 66.094, right? 66.094. That looks like, yeah, 10 a.m. dump hailfire. There we go. Let's go to XLM while we're waiting, guys. We're going to let this go. Guys, we're going to let this go. They are fighting this out. Farrell says that the yen is trying to make a little bit of a bull drive. Huge long place. Guys, Blake is placing a huge long. Why is he doing that? Let me just break this down for you for a second. Because even though he sees that there might be a short-term downside, there is that bull flag. And if we pop out of this resistance right here, we could have big upside. That is not financial advice from either me or Blake. I'm just telling you what he's thinking right now, right? And we're popping. Are we, Blake? We're popping? Nah, not quite yet. Not quite yet. The 4-hour BTC candle is testing the top of the ascending parallel channel. There we go. Stops in hype, not executed, going up. Uh-oh. 1 minute, you need the Kraken charts. I know. I'm going to get the Kraken charts. I'm going to fix those tonight, right? Here we go, guys. Let's go to XLM. We're going to, Blake, you keep an eye on BTC for me. You guys yell at me in the crowd if we get there, and we're going to go to XLM. We're going to take a look, right? What is XLM doing? Here we go, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour on XLM. Blake on leverage, I think he says. There we go, guys. 501, Blake. There we go, right? 10-4. Here we go. All right, guys, XLM, what are we doing? Look at that green candle, guys. Pumped right out of the W, right? Here it is. Pumped right out of the W. Pumped right out of the bear flag. I love crypto for this. Guys, I know, CryptoPug, thank you, right? I know that I have been bearish, but I love bullish days like this. I don't know if we're fully bullish, right? I never know. I never will say I'm 100% anything, right? And I'm not even a little bullish until we get up and over 68.8. And even that is for a local move. However, I love these days where crypto just defies everything and goes. Love you, XLM. XLM pushing through. Good morning, CryptoPug. BTC, are we going, Blake? In a long that if it hits my TP, it'll be 30,000% gains. Wish me luck. B-Rose, you are such a G. Killing it. This is not financial advice, guys. Look at this thing, busting right through. Now, guys, what do we have here on XLM? I'm on the 4 hour for XLM. We're going to take some of these lines off so that we can see what the heck we are doing here. Here we go. We pumped out of this W pattern. How do we measure a W? From the top of the trend line to the bottom of the W. Guys, it went straight to the target, right? Top of the trend line, bottom of the W, right here. Pull this up. It went right here. Let's go, right? Now what are we looking at? Now we are looking at either a wonky W. Wonky and slanted patterns break out just like perfectly placed patterns. 85 to 90% of the time, guys, right? Here we go. 85 to 90% of the time, right? Huge falling wedge. Yeah, I saw that, Mike, right? Here we go. Or it is a inverted head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, it would create a right shoulder. Where will it most likely come down to, guys? We get rejected here. If we don't, we can break right up in a wonky W. Did we break out, Blake? Tee-hee. Guys, he's doing the Michael Jackson spin. That's what he's doing when he says the tee-hee, right? Investing Goblin, thank you so much for the shares, guys, and the follows. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being here. If you are brand new in this chat and you would like to say hi to me, I would love to say hi to you. Please do follow me directly from the live. That means click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. I have about 600 copycats. If you try to find me afterwards by just typing out my name, you will not be able to find me, right? And they will scam you in your DMs. It is less a follower. Actually, it's not about follower count. It is about your safety. Please follow me directly from the live. This has engaged its macro wicked wedge math. I love that for us. Feral candles, let's go, right? Let's go. Here we go, guys. We have jumped out of this W pattern. We are forming either another one hump of the W, second hump of the W, and we're going to break out of that. Or we are going to form, in my opinion, a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Guys, it likes balanced patterns, right? It likes balanced patterns. And even if we could pop out of this wonky W, which if it wants to power up, is going to go there anyway. Otherwise, we are going to come down to rebalance the pattern, most likely. Come down, which would be my favorite way for this to do this. Why? B-Rose knows. SCJ, Hailfire, thank you so much for the gifts, you guys. I'm thrilled to be here with you today, right? Here we go. W on the 1 minute breaks us up and above both my MAs on the one. Let's go. Guys, we come down here, we rebalance this, and we bullishly test this support right now. We create a right shoulder. Where are we going to go, guys? Where are we going to go? This is a big move for XLM. Top of the trend line, bottom of the lowest part of the head, or one peak of the W, depending on what it wants to do. Isaiah, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. You take this, you bring this up to the supposed. Oh, look at that confluence, guys. Here we go. We break out of this. Complex, thank you so much for the bouquet. Nice to see you, right? Guys, this is not a coincidence, right? Do charts usually have coincidences in them. Complex, thank you. I appreciate the bouquets. They're lovely. Thank you so much. Guys, we break out of this trend line right here. Complex, I'm so glad to see you this morning. We break out of this, 0.2161. We break out of that, we head to here at 0.2500. Guys, that is our next major resistance level on XLM. Let's go. Right? W complex. I love that. Right? Ha! 2479. Guys, I'm at 25. Guess what Pharaoh has? 2479. Guys, when we have the same level, it doesn't mean we're right. Michelle McGann, thank you for the rhythmic bear. Guys, it doesn't mean we're right. It means we are confluent, right? It means we are confluent. I'm wondering what Jay Dan has, right? And Blake, right? When we have that complex, thank you so much for lighting me up. Michelle, guys, thank you so much for the gifts this morning. You guys know I pass those on. These are going to a really deserving young woman. Thank you so much for what you guys do every day. Guys, we head up to 2,500, right? Now, where is our next level? And guys, look at the RSI and the Stokes powering aggressively to the upside. Solom with the Zeus. Thank you so much. You guys are killing it. Lauren with the heartbeat. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys, right? Here we go. We power up here at 25 or 20. Actually, guess what, Farrell? My level was actually 2485. And you're at 2479. That's crazy. Complex, you killed it. Thank you, Solom. Lauren, thank you so much for the gift. Right? Here we go, guys. We breached this level on XLM. We are aggressively turned to the upside on the 5 hour, which, by the way, says Farrell, let's go. Jeff Drain, thank you. Which, by the way, guys, I don't know why I'm on the 5 hour. Do I usually sit on there? No, I don't. Right? Here we go. 4 hour. Still aggressively coming up. We have a little bit of rollover. We're going to watch it. Even if we roll over, guys, I am okay with a rollover to bullishly retest this line. So here are the scenarios. Blake, did we go? Have a good day, everyone. Never bull or bear, only profits. G, everyone. Complex, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Blake, did we pop? Did we pop? Where's my yell? Right? Here we go, guys. To the upside. Here's your levels. First level on XLM. Let me go to the 1 hour. Let's see what's happening. Let's go XLM. What is bullish, babe? Bullish. SCJ, I'm bullish right now at this moment, right? However, guys, here's the scenario. We most likely, we are going to either pop out of this level. I'm going to give you the bullish and the bearish case. I always do. Blake is smiling ear to ear. That must mean something. Guys, if we want to just pop out of this level at 2158, 0.2158, that is your first level. I love that for us right now then, says SCJ. There we go. Looking those Pharaoh wicks in the flag. See those tricky bulls. Guys, she's telling you they're fighting back and forth. Your followers are rallying to you big time. Guys, again, right? Mr. Slippers, everyone deserves grace, and I want him to succeed too. Just for those of you who didn't hear me, right? I want him to succeed too. I want him to go back to his regular channel. Why? Because guys, he's a great creator. He has been for a long time, right? He has been for a long time. I want him to be on his regular channel and give you guys the information that he's given to you for 4.5 years. Right? This should not change the fact that he is a great creator and he has a lot of good ideas, and he should be doing what he does and what I originally loved about his content. So let's all support him too. We support people after mistake, guys. It's what we do. Right? Here we go. Guys, we break out of 2151. What do we do? Right? Here we go. We break out of this level. So I'm Spartan with the Interstellar. Thank you. I appreciate you. Oh, guys, you guys are killing it. We break out of this level, 2164. Where are we going on XLM, guys? We're coming here at 2491. Now, it's all good. Irish Boxer, thank you. Peace and love. You guys, that's what we spread here, right? Peace and love to everyone. Doesn't matter who they are. And especially to him, because he's been a big supporter of mine, right? Here we go. We break down. Guys, if we come down right here, right? Now you are a number 10 League C2. Thank you, Solom. You're killing it. Guys, what a great OG supporter Solom is. Thank you so much. Right? Here we go, guys. We come down here. Here's our first level of support we have to hold. I just give you the upside levels. Now we're hippies. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. First level we have to hold is down here at 0.2008. Does look like we are rolling over here. Understand, guys, we never... Oh, crap. Is Max Payne. Can anyone verify what Max Payne is saying right now? Because if that is true, we need to look at this in a different way. Right? I don't like to spread the news unless I know that it's a true. Solom, can you check that for me? Impeccable vibes. Thank you so much, Lauren. Right? Thank you so much. Lauren is one of my first supporters too. One of the first people that ever took my class. Thank you guys so much. right? You guys have supported me for so long. Here we go, right? What do I need? Someone just said that the piece, it has just been broken. Can you take a look at that for me? I know, Solom, you can find it. I appreciate you. I just want someone that I know and trust to take a look at that and see if that's real news. I'm not going to repeat that until I know. Nate Dogg shared the live. Thank you. Guys, here we go. We roll over here, right here at 2158. We're most likely coming here, 0.2004. What's broke? Someone said the piece is broken because something just happened. And I want fake news. Okay, we'll check. Thank you so much, guys. Right? E. Lily, thank you. Guys, here we go. We break this. We're coming down here. Sorry, I'm squirreling so badly today. 0.2004. Guys, realize we never go. Okay, fake news. All right, that's fake news. Nobody pay attention to that. Right? I just wanted to know because obviously the news is moving the markets right now. Thank you, Farrell. Appreciate you. Right? Here we go. Guys, we break this right here. We're most likely coming down here. Realize nothing ever goes in a straight line. Do I think XLM still has some levels to the upside? Yes, I do. Chris Moore, Farrell, thank you. Good tunes. Thank you. Right? Here we go. 100% fake news. That's why I want to check it out, guys. I don't repeat stuff on my channel now. Unless I know. I looked also nothing. Give it an hour and it'll be true, said Lord. There we go. Guys, we break down here. Right? We bounce off of this at 0.2004. We can make a right shoulder and head up. All right. Here's your levels to the upside and the downside. 1 hour looks like it wants to roll. Now, guys, what would break this? Right? What would make me think that we are going further down than just this support right here? It would be if we started opening 1 hour candles below the 1 hour moving averages. The simple, the smooth, the 20, the 50. Guys, they are all bundled. They are all bundled, right? If every single one of those breaks on the 1 hour, then we've got problems. Until then, I will think that this is a retest of support, right? Blake, that fight gave idiocracy vibes. There we go. Guys, here we go. Right? Here's your levels to the upside on XLM. Upside and the downside. I'm going to go to the 30. I just want to see what's going on. Are we curving up? No, we're actually coming down. This does look like we want to come down for a retest. Bear coming in from the dollar and yen. We see it, Farrell. Guys, I see it from the 30-minute, right? 15-minute looks like it's coming down. What do we need to hold, guys? We need to hold right here. Farrell, thank you. You are such a G. Tarek, good morning. Guys, here we go. We are coming down, right? Why? Because the dollar and the yen are going up. Right? Do we know that that is permanent? No, we don't. So I see upside. Sorry, Blake, I see upside, but after a downside retest of support is what I'm looking at, right? XLM, here's your levels. First support to the downside, 0.20. Mo, good morning. 0.20 or 0.1999. Mo, thank you. Next one to the downside. Guys, here are your levels. Womcal, thank you. We go through one level, we go to the next one. We go through one at the top, we go to the next one. If you want to learn how to chart like that and to turn this into trading and making an income, come in and join my group, guys. First link in the link in my bio. Come in, join my group. It's 7 days free right now. Come in and learn and grow. I believe we have. That's what the dip was. Let's see. Guys, Blake could be right. Oh, I see us turning a little bit here, Blake. I do. Here's your levels, guys. I'm going to say them quickly so that I get through them. 0.1999. Second level to the downside is 0.1832. Bolster, thank you. Third level to the downside, 0.1742. Fourth level to the downside, 0.1605. Those are your levels on XLM to the downside. XRP is holding at 123 so hard on the 5-minute too. Let's go. Let's go, 501. Guys, we break out of this little tiny bull flag that I see right here. We are sitting on top of all of the moving averages. That is bullish. Very likely these are going to hold and we are going to push up. First level to the upside, 0.2156. Next level to the upside, 0.2493. Third level to the upside is here at 0.3002. Guys, that's going to be more of a psychological level. We get to whole numbers. They always have a little bit of trouble sticking, right? Hey, Shez, nice to see you. Let me go down to the lower time frames. I want to see if we're popping here. And Blake's right. Blake is right. What are we popping out of? Michelle McGann with the corgi. Thank you. Guys, this looks like XLM wants a pump, right? That's what it looks like right here. Thank you, BB. I need this. Fingers crossed. Guys, there's a little bull flag right here. Look at what we're doing. Exactly what Blake was saying. We are holding on to the moving averages. Guys, here we go. Right? We hold on to the moving averages here. This bull flag pops out. Where are we popping to? Very likely, we are going to pop out of this. GM, literally what? I didn't see that. Right? Here we go, guys. We are curving on the Stokes and the RSI. I will say, WTF, did Solom Spartan get to 44K points? Yes, he did, Crypto TikToks. He is like my one of my number one supporters, not the number one. We have a lot of big ones in here, but he is one of my oldest supporters, and he is such a G and such a good human, right? And I met him in real life, and him and his wife are like the best people. So nice. Fred is in here, guys. Give him a follow. He is unbelievable. He is the funniest person I know, probably, that I've ever met in my entire life. Fred, good morning. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. This bull flag wants to pop us up right now, right? It's doing it right now. We are curving on the Stokes and the RSI. RSI has a little bit of slumpage. So nice of you, girl. We love you also. Thank you. I appreciate you, Solom. Here we go. We're going to go down to the 5 minute. Why? Right? Because we need to see if we're popping out. It is trying to pop out right now. We don't get enough oomph right here. We're going to double top and roll over. It is always an if-then statement. 1 hour ago, JD Vance said that the deal has been reached and they will sign it in Switzerland on Friday. Yeah, that's days away, right? All stays good right now, though, guys. We can be bullish until we're not, right? Here we go. A little bit of Tevin Campbell breaking it down. Breaking it down. All right, here we go, guys. We're breaking it right now. Blake, you are such a G, right? He is my guy for the lower time frames. Killing it. He doesn't want anyone following him, but I will say, right? He is such a G. You are fire. Look at this bull flag breaking up right now. Here we go. We're holding on to the moving averages. Guys, we break up to here at 0.2212. We do a little bullish retest on a lower time frame. Let's freaking go. Show me the signature and a handshake and I'll believe it. Me too, Crypto TikToks. Now, if they can keep Dawn in the basement for a week, we can believe it. There we go. Farrell, Crypto TikToks is saying the same thing. Guys, follow them both. Great creators. Jay Dan is in here. He hates when I say to follow him, but guess what? Follow him. Follow him, guys. You want to learn things that I don't know and I don't teach and I don't show on my live? Guys, go follow the people that have good intentions for you in this space, right? And are doing it right. I'm not here, don't follow. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, and you're good. And people should follow you, right? Please don't, said JTN. Can someone please have a crush on me? I'm lonely. This is not a signals group, Crypto TikToks, right? Here we go. Breaking up in this bull flag. We need for the 1 minute to push us, though. The 5 minute. Hello, beautiful. You're such an amazing human. Thank you, Danielle. Nice to see you. Right? Follow Dan, says Blake. Right? Follow Dan. Haha, I was responding to Forvix. Sorry, I didn't mean to read that out loud. I just do it by reflex. Right? I just do that by reflex. Guys, we don't pop out of this bull flag. We can't get the oomph from the 3 minute or the 1 minute. Let's go. Here we go, guys. We have it. We have it, right? 3 minute wants to push, right? We have a little bit of rollover, but guys, if we can get up and over that resistance, Chameleonaire, good morning. If we can get up and over that resistance before the 3 minute and the 1 minute rollover, guess what? That little rollover on the 1 minute and the 3 minute will be a bullish retest of that resistance turned into support, right? Confluence from people not known. Just say anything. I like it. She says, GF, Rico, the crypto guy, good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. You guys know I adore you guys. I am not here without you. You guys have brought me this far. Michelle McGinn with the gifts. Thank you. Chase, dude, you guys are killing it today. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so humbled and honored to be with all of you guys every single day. And to be with the team, Blake and Farrell and ARC is usually in here. Jay Dan's in here giving his thoughts on the charts. And Skyman, guys, we miss Skyman. I don't know where he's been, right? We love you, Michelle. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'll take a Frosty with fries, please. There we go, guys. Here. Oh, Blake, look at what it's doing. Guys, This is why I freaking love charting so much. This is why I yell every single day. Look at what it's doing, right? We popped out of that bull flag to the upside. Now, if we form a bull flag right here, guess where we're going, Blake? We're going to that target, right? I know it's dropping the support right now. However, and he spins, and he spins, and he spins, right? I know we're dropping this right here, but guys, this may just be to form a bull flag to pop us out. Remember, we have all the moving averages below us on the higher time frames. That is a bullish thing. Blake ever made a homemade Frosty? So good, right? So good. Here we go, guys. We don't want to fall through these moving averages. Let's go. XLM's looking like it's going to push. Again, here are your levels. We're going to go to Ondo now. We're going to make our way through these. What time is it? Guys, we got time today. We got time. I'm speedy today, right? Here we go. 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. I'm going to give you the levels again real quick, and then we're going to go to Ondo. Guys, this thing wants to power up. I'm sorry. Actually, guys, you know what? I was wrong. I think I was wrong. This, I don't think, is an inverse head and shoulders. You know what I think this is right here? I think it's an Adam and Eve double bottom, and I think this thing is going to pop out. Blake, what do you think? Right? Farrell, what do you think? Right? Oop. Power bulls on the dower. Dollar engage. Magnet flip. Wahaha! Says Farrell. Let's go. Right? Premium, I can do the total 3, but it won't be till later. Usually the total 3 is going to follow Bitcoin, but I won't. I will do it. Right? I think XRP going to make one last little run up to the FFG. FVG, that might go down for a little. There we go, Rude. He's learning. He's learning and growing and killing it. Right? Oh, I'm not supposed to say that word. I don't know what I'm going to replace with that, but I will. Right? Here we go. Guys, this looks like an Adam and Eve double bottom to me. Here is the Adam bottom. Here is the Eve bottom. I think this may be a dollar stronger than hopes and dreams. Imagine that. Pharaoh, right? Here we go. We break out of this, guys. We don't even need a right shoulder. If this is an Adam and Eve double bottom, it is a triangle bottom with a rounded bottom, guys, and it is smashing it. Let's go. Blake, you see in that too? We are powering up. This means to me that we may not need that right shoulder I was talking about. We may go straight here at 0.2492. Rocking it. Hey, Tim Putt. Nice to see you. If I'm, yeah, I know. I'm going to try not to say that. Guys, here we go. Right? XLM looking strong to me. Let's go to Ondo. Here are your level. Those are your levels to the upside. Here is the support we need to hold. 0.2009. We hold that support. We can bounce up and around there all we want. We're eventually going to move. All right? Replace it with crushing it. Lady long term, right? You always have it. You always have it for me. I'm going to replace it with crushing it. Right? Danielle, thank you for the gifts. I appreciate you. See what happens when I take my spear out of the ground to help heroes? There we go. Right? You let it go for a minute, Solom. Right? You let it go for a minute. Here we go. Ondo chop is impressively strong. Let's go to Ondo, guys. And I'm going to have to type it in. Why? Because I am a little squirrely when it comes to this. And I never know where my charts are. Here we go. Let's take a look at Ondo, guys. Let's hope I have some lines on there. Fred with the Galaxy. Nice to see you. Thank you so much, guys. Give him a follow. He cracks me up. He has great, hilarious content. Bears are winning right now. Uh-oh. Should we go back? There we go. Guys, give him a follow. Let's go back and then we'll go to Ondo, right? Let's take a look at BTC. Here we go. Yeah, BTC, guys. Lordly is in the house. Nice to see you. We must have some big XLM holders in here today. Yeah, guys, XLM is slowly creeping up on the XRP, I feel like, right? More people asking for XLM than XRP. Guys, I'm just going to reset the room. I'm just going to reset the room real quick, right? B-Dogs with the money gun. Thank you. Here we go, guys. BTC is looking like it's rolling over a little bit. Does that mean that the alts will? No. My favorite streamer is back, says the beast. Hey, they're doing the math. B-Dogs, Lordly, Fred, thank you. They're doing the math. Market doing the market stuff. Yeah, every single day, Crypto TikToks, right? The market does what the market does, guys. Right? We don't control it. It does look like we're flipping over a little bit on BTC, but guys, we have this diagonal support to hold. Right here at 65,553. We hold that. That is a good thing. Right? Let's go to Ondo. Here we go, guys. We're going to do Ondo, Canton, Bonk, Bio, Shib, Tau, Quant. That is the real. right? I don't know if we'll get through all those. Probably not. 3 minutes, we take off. Guys, listen to Blake. Blake has some good timing over there. Always, right? Guys, I'm going to do a little reset before we go. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every... No, I'm not going to do all of them. Assistant. I probably will get through two, right? Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, right? I am just a chick who wants to teach you guys or help you guys learn how to read the charts and realize that if you can read the charts, you can make money off of this market every single day. And no one can ever take that away. Why? Because the market is always going to be here. So I'm talking to everyone out there, but I am also a mom. I was an entrepreneur. Guys, you can do this in your free time and it's flexible. So if you want to learn how to do that, go ahead and click the link in my bio. I have a school in there. I teach a live class in there every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is in the first link in my bio. It's called Level Up Crypto. Even if you miss the classes, they are all recorded. You can watch them at your leisure, right? Thank you guys. For those of you who have already joined, if you have joined and you are finding value in it and you are making money, please put a W in the chat. Guys, we will not always make money. You will lose in trading. Join us. Come hang with us. We are here for support and growth and learning, right? There we go. There it is, the W's. Secondly, guys, I am an affiliate with Bitunix. They're a non-KYC exchange. They are growing and adding things to their platform. You can now trade Forex and IPOs on their platform. But the biggest thing is that you can trade crypto, gold and silver, and crude on leverage. If you guys are leverage traders and you haven't tried out Bitunix, it is one of the easiest user faces in the industry, in my opinion. I have traded there for 2.5 years. It is in the banner at the top of my screen. You go to bitunix.com, you put in Bullish Babe, you get a 20% bonus on deposit for anything over $100, up to a $400 bonus. Guys, it's worth a try even just for the bonus, right? And if you're a big leverage trader and you're a VIP on another platform, we can get you that VIP status on this platform as well. All you have to do is join with my code, prove your trading volume, and then DM the assistant, right? Thank you, the assistant, for posting it. Guys, thank you for the W's in the chat. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. We're going to Ondo. Thank you for letting me get that business out. Guys, I am full-time crypto. So all of these things that I'm talking about, whether it is the class or it is Bitunix, I am transparent about the fact that that is how I make my money. So if you are a leverage trader and you are trading, that is, and you join with my code, thank you, because that is supporting my channel. I appreciate you. Bullish Babe, you should order some Raposa. I know, I saw that the other day. I will. I'm not to be honest, I am not a huge coffee drinker, but tea I will. Blake, it says one. Johan, nice to see you. Here we go on Ondo, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour. Oh, look at this thing. Let's freaking go. Here it is, guys. What are we bumping out of right here? What are we bumping out of? I'm just going to take these lines off for a second. Little bit of Shanice, right? Loving it. Here we go, guys. What are we popping out of here? We're popping out of an inverted head and shoulders. Does the platform provide API connection? I don't know about that. To be honest, BB, do you think crypto could pump? This week, I do. The tea is really good. You would like it. I met them in Miami. Guys, I will try Raposa. Maybe they'll send me some, right? I'll go buy some from them because everyone's talking about them, right? The Nitro Peach Tea. Ooh, there we go. Just got in the class. King Mods, thank you. Guys, if you want to join the class, there's people joining right now. A little bit of Shanice J. Dan, right? Taking it back today. Here we go. King Mods, I'm so glad you were in there. Right? Guys, you can unmic. I am in there for an hour a day. You can ask me any questions you want. We have a ton of people talking in there every day. I love that group so much. Thank you for joining. Here we go, guys. We are popping out of a shoulder, a head, a shoulder. Are we at the target yet? No, we are not, guys. And we are popping up in a bullfight. This thing looks like it wants to run. How do we measure an inverted head and shoulders? From the top of the trend line to the bottom of the head, oh, look at that. Guys, here we freaking go, right? Solom Spartan. There we go, guys. We popped out of this diagonal trend line right here. This is going to be support on the way down. It is a support that we need to hold at 0.3758, right? We're looking at Ondo right now, Atomic. Nice to see you. Right? We about to run anytime now, Blake. I think so. Right? I'm on the 4 hour for Ondo. Guys, this shoulder, head, shoulder wants to break you up to this level right here at 0.4234. Long trade in profit. Let's go. Guys, 0.4234. Why is she complaining at me? Kilroy, I'm not complaining at you. I'm yelling, but not at you. I'm just yelling. Sorry, who Ondo? This is Ondo. Here we go. Next level to the upside, 4234. Guys, that's not just a level. That's a target, right? We have a bull flag right here, and we have an inverted head and shoulders breaking out right now. All right? Here's your next level to the upside, 4229. We do have the Stokes rolling over a little bit. We got to be careful. However, RSI is pointed heavily and aggressively up, and we are gapped. This is a crypto. It is Ondo, USDT. This her real life. Yes, it is. Right? This is her in real life, says Ruth. It kind of is. My goodness, Pyth on the board with a power hitter breakout. Let's go, Farrell. Right? Here we go, guys. Next level to the upside on Ondo, 0.4229. Next level to the upside, guys. What do we have here? Yikes. What do we have here? We have another W pattern right here, guys. Right? We break this level right here. Here we go. Here's your levels to the upside. Let me go to the 1 hour. Blake killing it. Guys, Blake called that little pump, right? It's rolling over a little bit now on Bitcoin, but on the alts, not so much, right? You can yell at me all you want. Chelsea says, Mike. Thank you, Mike, right? I don't want to be known as a yeller, but I probably am already, right? I probably am already. Here's your levels, guys. First level on Ondo, we know we're breaking out of an inverted head and shoulders to the upside, 4225. First level to the upside, that's not just a level, that is a target. Guys, when a level and a target match up, guess what the chart is telling you? It wants to go there, right? Getting yelled at by Chelsea is like getting flowers on your birthday, says Crypto TikToks. Thank you, right? I don't know if it's that good, but I'll take it, right? BTC will start reversing around 1240 Eastern Standard Time, possibly. Possibly, guys, we don't know what's going to happen, right? That's why I give you the levels to the upside and the downside. That way, if we think it's going bullish and all of a sudden it starts to go bearish, you guys will know that if we break through one of those support levels, guess where we are going, right? The fact that I understand what you're saying is so effing excited. There we go. And above the MA on the 1 minute, let's go. Isn't there a golden cross potential forming on the 3-day chart? I have heard people say that. I don't, to be honest, I don't watch the crosses a lot. Usually because the TA and the patterns will tell me that it's crossing even without looking at the cross, if that makes sense, right? So here we go, but there could be, for sure. I've heard people talking about that. Guys, here's your levels on Ondo, then we're going to go, right? We're going to try to power our way through some of these odds. Pyth gaining on the leader, XLM up 8%. Guys, let's go. 4223, right? To the upside. First level to the upside. Second level to the upside. Guys, that is a target and a level. Second level to the upside, 0.4322. Guys, we break out of this level, we're breaking out of a wonky W. Here's one hump of the W. Here's the second hump of the W. Guys, we had this charted out for weeks. All of these moves, except for that little inverse head and shoulders. We didn't know how the little time frames were going to play out, but guess what, guys? They're going. May not be a little pop, Chelsea. No, I think it's going to be a big one, Blake. I called it little. Guys, I think it's going to be a big one, right? I think it's going to be a big one. Guys, we pop out of this level, right? Here we go. First level is here, 4257, 0.4257. Next level, 0.4346. Next level on Ondo, guys, is 0.4876. What's the stop loss? I don't give that to you. You guys have to figure that out. That is according to your risk tolerance, right? Third level, 0.4876. And finally, the target is right here at 0.522. And guys, that is not all in Blake's voice. Right, Blake? That is not all. We then have this. We have to go up the time frames. Here we go. Hey, Shauna. Nice to see you. Guys, if we get up here, right, at 0.4902, guess what? We have a shoulder. It is a big one. A head and a right shoulder. Guys, We break this level right here on Ondo 0. Guys, this is the math we've been trying to play for weeks, right? Months, right? Do I think we're going into a full-fledged bull run? I don't know, right? I don't know. All I know is the levels. We break this level right here at 4928. Guys, we break this level right here. We are coming up to here at this target, or we're going to try to get up there at this target at 0.7157, and then to the next and major resistance for Ondo at 7593. Guys, this is a huge move. You've got to watch the rollover. Why do we have to watch a rollover, guys? Because anytime we go up, what goes up must come down. Even if it doesn't come down all the way, it will come down to form a support. We broke the resistance. 1 minute BTC. Let's go, guys. Right? That is Ondo. Let me give you the downside targets. Right? Let me go. Everyone, please remember to keep your eye on that 1 hour. If you see it turning, it has potential. Exactly. Guys, Blake is telling us it's testing resistance right now. Even helium balloons come down eventually. Exactly, Crypto TikToks. What matters is this, guys. Right? When we start getting into a bullish period, what matters is this. My voice is getting a little rough, so hold on. Little Shaka Khan. All right, here's the thing. When we get into a bullish period, what matters is not this, guys. Straight up. What matters is this, that we go up, we come down, we hit resistance as support. We come up, we come down, we hit resistance and turn it into support. Then we come up again, we come down, and we turn resistance into support. Shauna, thank you so much for the heart me. I hope you're doing well, right? We need momentum, guys, and we need to stair step up. It is the only safe way for price to eventually and sustainably be able to go up, right? We don't have that. We don't have anything, right? We don't have anything. Mufti, thank you. I appreciate you. Right? Yields, dollar, VIX, sending in bulls. Money flow moving from the RUT to the S&P and Dow. Infrastructure, drive. Here we go, guys. Right? Here we go. Guys, here's your levels on Ondo to the downside. First level is here. We have to hold the support at 0.3559. Trying hard to break out of the top of my parallel channel. Uh-oh, Solon. We need to hold it down. Shada, thank you so much. Right? First level, 0.3559. That is your first support to the downside on Ondo. Actually, I'm going to go down to the lower time frames. Let's see if we can see what Farrell is saying. Right? Here we go. Oh, what a good song. Trying hard to break out. Here we go, guys. Lower time frame. Let's check the 15. Guys, the 15 wants to power up, right? We want to power up. We have little bull flags. We're hanging on to the moving averages. Look at us hanging on tough to the moving averages. Did I miss H-bar? Chris, we're probably not going to get to H-bar today. I'm sorry. We're probably only going to get to like 2 more, right? Here we go. First level to the downside, 0.3749. Second one to the downside, 0.3575. Yeah, Chris, nice to see you though. Guys, third level to the downside is 0.3219. We start dropping those supports. Now you know where the levels are, okay? Let's do Canton, guys. Here we go. That is Ondo. Ondo looks like it wants to push. And guys, we get up over that 49 level, we're going, right? Thank you, Kelly. Guys, thank you to my mods. They are amazing. Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Eric Watson, Lady Long Term, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Dream to Action, and B Rose. Thank you so much for being my mods in here, guys. You are fire. I appreciate you, right? Here we go. Let's go to Canton, guys. Canton, I may have time for one more, and that is probably it. What is Canton? Canton. Guys, what is Canton's ticker? Can anyone put Canton in here? I've made nearly 8% today. Loving it. There we go, Chris. WWW. It's CC. Thank you. All right, here we go, guys. What a great day to be on here today. I have the mod power. Y'all better act right. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, here we go, guys. Let's go to Canton. Let's take a look at Canton. I know everyone's saying it's powering up. Let's take a look at it. I got to go to the higher time frame. CC says Sparrow. BTC on the way to test the next resistance. Guys, let's go. What a great day to be in crypto. right? You guys know I am kind of the bearish, bullish babe, but guys, these are the days we like, even though it may not be sustained. We don't know, but we will take the green days when we have them, right? We'll take the green days when we have them. Here we go, guys. All right, guys, here's Canton. What are we doing? Here we go. Canton, guys. Here we go. We have broken out. Actually, let me reset my lines because, guys, guess what? There it is. Right? Here we go. We have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. We also have a bull flag. I'm on the 8-hour, guys. The triple B, bearish, bullish babe. Exactly. Rude boy calls me BBQ, the bullish, bearish queen. Right? Here we go. You break out of here. Guys, we have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Sorry. A shoulder, a head, and this is your right shoulder right here. We break out of here. We break out from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the head. We drag this to the supposed breakout. The assistant, you time checking me yet? I see you, right? Oil futures at 80. Let's go down to 75. Finally with the Canton. Treasury is down. Token is up. About time. I see some damn money flow in this thing. There we go, right? I know, assistant. I know. Right? Here we go. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, if you haven't followed me, please follow me directly from the live right now. Otherwise, you will type in my name afterwards. There are about 600 of me. You will not be able to find me again. It is a safety thing, not a follower count thing. Please follow me directly from this live. Hit the bell for notifications. That will tell you when the real me is live. Thank you for being in here today, guys. Each and every one of you. I appreciate you. BK, good morning. Here we go. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the upside. Guys, we break this up. Here we go. Here are the levels we need to break on Canton. First level to the upside is 0.17079. We break that. Here's a target right here, but that is not all, guys. Right? If we break that up at 0.20303, XLM breaking out again. Guys, let's go. Lang, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Guys, we break out of here, right? We are in what on Canton? Guys, if we break out of that level right here, Canton is looking spicy. Why? 8-hour is breaking up to the upside aggressively, not only on the Stokes, on the RSI. I do not give financial advice. Phonics and phonetics and copper, cold plate running, forward looking, tech bullish, slick blockchain, tech on deck. Let's go, right? Let's go. 100K likes. Guys, thank you so much. You guys are amazing. 100K likes in an hour and 45 minutes. Thank you guys so much for tapping your screen, sharing it out, just being in here in general. Guys, I appreciate you guys. Are we on a bull run now? Not necessarily. This is a local bullish period, if you will, until we get up and over major resistance, right? We get up and over major resistance, then we'll talk, right? What is my level? What are my levels, guys, to get up and above? We get up and over. Risky Sneak, good morning. Good morning, Mom. Nice to see you. My mom's in the chat from Italy, right? Guys, we get up and over 89K. I will be 50% bullish. We get up, yeah, there it is, Sparrow, 89K. And then if we get up and over 108K, there we go, Annalie, right? We get up and over 108.8K, 108.8K, or 109. I am bullish, right? Here we go, guys. We break up and above this level at 0.17079. Guys, we are headed to the target of that inverted head and shoulders on Canton at 0.20303. What are we in if we get up there? Right? Rocket's hip taken off. Guys, what are we in if we get up there? Chow from Sicily, she says, I hope you're having a great time. Guys, we get up to 20.303. We are in price discovery, Risky Sneak on Canton. Guys, this is looking bullish. Now, if we roll over for some reason on Canton, BTC recap, please. I'm going to go there in just a second. Guys, this is all I have time for today, unfortunately. I have class at 12. I need to be off the live by 11. I may do, we'll see. BTC, yeah, there we go. Have a great day, BK, thank you. BTC recap, we're going to do a BTC recap. Can't trade margin on CC on my favorite exchange. Uh-oh, right? Have you tried out Bitunix Crypto TikTok? Because you can trade it there, right? Love you, thank you, Mufti. Here we go. 1 hour, guys. Here we go. Huge W on the 8 hour. Guys, what is my favorite time frame? 8 hour, right? 8 hour. Yeah, guys, Canton is looking hella bullish, right? Why? Because the lower time frames are now teaming up with the higher time frames and the mid time frames to push. Look at the lower time mid time frames, guys. The hour just rolled over in a money flip to the upside. Rom Cow, thank you. Blowfin, I do trade on. However, I like Bitunix better. USDT is looking good on the daily. There we go. I may at some point have a Blowfin link. Here we go. We are turning up on the daily. RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 24 to the upside, guys. Looking bullish on Canton. Right? Looking bullish on Canton. Here we go. Thank you so much. Have to head out. Kelly, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have a great day. Right? Guys, let's take a look. We're going to take a look at let's take a look at Bonk. Guys, I'm going to do one meme coin. I'm going to go a little bit longer today. Don't worry, assistant. I'll be off by 11:15. I'm going to do Bonk. That's going to be my last one for today. XLM, Farrell, thank you so much for being in here. XLM, CC, Link, Pyth, XRP, Sol, ETH, Hype, ARB, Ondo, matching bull math. Guys, let's go. BTC is almost there on the math too. We're going to go to BTC in a second. Blake, congratulations on that long. Blake called this pop on the lower time frames. Blake, you're G. Thank you so much for being in here. I appreciate you. Guys, we are a hive mind in here. It is not just me. It is Farrell, it is Blake, it is Skyman, it is ARC. Jay Dan's in here sometimes. Guys, thank you so much for being this team in here. Thank you, Blake, thank you. Right? Thank you. Blake watches lower time frames like a G, guys. Right? Here we go. Let's take a look at Bonk for a second. Bonk is one of my wicked wedges, guys. Right? It is what, Farrell, you are doing a great job. Thank you, Samantha. I appreciate you. Right? Guys, let's go. I love the way you say that. Thank you, Mr. Slippers. Guys, Bonk is one of the wicked wedges, right? We talk about them all the time in here. Farrell, name them. That is her name. It is a bunch of the memes or assets or altcoins that are in big falling wedges on the weekly time frames, guys. They are now breaking out. Here is Bonk's levels. They are right here. I'm going to give them to you one at a time. Jason the Mason, good morning. I woke up early for the bullish charts. Thank you, B-Rose. Guys, give him a follow. Gosh, your family is gorgeous, by the way. He posted a post of his family on a vacation. Your wife is gorgeous. You guys look so happy. I'm so glad that you're in this community. Guys, it's great to have good people in this community, right? And yeah, what a great post. Beautiful. Here we go, guys. 8 hour. XLM and Pyth are my favorite of the wicked wedges. There we go. Guys, here's your levels on Bonk. They're right here. Guys, you can see I have been charting Bonk forever, right? You plan more than you trade, guys. My wife is the boss, obviously. Obviously, right? Obviously. Here we go, guys. You plan more than you trade. And if you plan your trades more than you trade, you will catch the big moves and you will catch the really good entries, guys. That is what we're looking for. We're looking for entries that are well protected and disciplined, right? And when we get the entries, that's a smart man right there. Guys, when 2 out of 3 trades up 8K. Guys, Solon, let's give him a W in the chat. He just won 2 out of the last 3 trades and he's up 8K. Congratulations, Solon. Nice. I'm so glad you are in here. That is the last 30 days. Guys, he's killing it. Right? He's killing it. Others include Link, Pepe, Shib, and Mudang. Let's go. Here are your levels on Bonk, guys. Bonk breaks out of this right here. 5 zeros and a 5, 4, 5. We are right there. Fruit Veggie Life. You followed me. Thank you. I'm so glad you're back. I'm so sorry you were blocked. Guys, if you know of anyone who got blocked by mistake, just send us their handle. We're just trying to get rid of the bots. And sometimes it's hard to tell. Okay? Just been in high leverage longs for a week and a half. Jacob Sheffield, killing it. Fruit Veggie Life, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We get up and over this. 5 zeros and a 545 on bonk. Where are we headed, guys? Here we go. We are headed to this next resistance level, right? Up here. It's all the way up here. Some of these wicked wedges, they're going to run, guys. Inverse head and shoulders, BTC, 1 minute. I'm going to go there in just a second. I just followed you. I love your energy. Thank you, Mufti. Nice to see you. Love this. Cryptopotamus, nice to see you. Guys, here we go. We break out of here. We go on bonk. We're going to 5 zeros and a 624. Guys, I've had this planned out for probably about 6 months. This trade that you're seeing right here, this has been planned out for 6 months, right? Here we go. 4 hour. Let's go here. This is the best crypto channel ever. Thank you, Mike. There are a lot of good channels out there, guys, right? Thank you for being part of mine. I appreciate you guys. Here we go. Guys, bonk is in an inverse head and shoulders. It is breaking out shoulder, head, shoulder. It broke out. We're coming here next. Here's your next level, 5 zeros and a 548. Next level to the upside is 5 zeros and a 624. Next level is right here at 5 zeros and a 635. Here's a take profit that I have. Guys, do not follow my take profits and my stop losses. This is for me, not you. Please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. You'll get wrecked, guys, right? This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. 5 zeros and a 660. Guys, on this one move, we can get all the way up to here if we break this diagonal trend line. See this white line right here? We break this diagonal trend line right here, guys. We gone, right? 5 zeros and a 749. Where are we going to? 5 zeros and an 801, right? 5 zeros and 801. Let's go to the lower time frames, and then I'm going to go back to BTC. Guys, BTC runs. It allows all the alts to run. If it moves sideways, it allows all of them to move sideways, right? And it allows them to gain momentum to go up again. This is how this works. Here we go. We are lifting up on the 15 minute, guys, right? We are at the bottom of the Stokes, lifting up on the 15. We have some slumpage on the RSI, but let's see if we can kick it with the 5 and the 7, right? Let's see if the 7 is doing. Guys, the 7 is coming down. Now, here's the thing. We are on top of all the moving averages, right? We do see a little M pattern here. This M pattern could break us down a little bit, but guys, we are bullish right now. So, what do we assume when we're bullish? We assume that things are going to come down to retest a diagonal trend line to jump up and out of it, right? We know that we're in a bull flag on a higher time frame. That 7 minute comes down here, retest this diagonal trend line right here, doesn't fall through at 5 zeros and a 498. We can pop up and out of this, right? The assistant, thank you. Appreciate you. Here we go, guys. Let's go to the hourly. XLM and XRP moving to break out again. Let's go. At 100's Club, nice to see you. Let's test it. Let's see. Guys, here we go. We see a bull flag. It is right here. What did I just say? When we're in a bullish period where things are running, we assume to some degree that things are going to come down, bounce off of the moving averages, bounce off of the diagonal trend lines, and shoot up. Right? I'm Susan today. Geez, here is the bull flag I was talking about, guys. You can assume, right, that if we see a diagonal slant with a pull coming up, more than likely it's a bull flag on a higher time frame. Here we go. Here's a pull. Here's a flag. We pull this up to this. Oh, guys, look at the confluence. Hi, do you have backup accounts? Mia, I have no backup accounts. If you don't follow me, please follow me directly from this live right now, right? This is my only account, guys, my only one. Please follow me directly from here. We break up here, guys. We break up to this level right here at 5 zeros and a 547. What is that? A major resistance level that has been in there for weeks. It is confluence, guys. When we have a major target going up to a major resistance, there it is. Mia, good morning. Nice to have you in. Will you read anything I say? Yes, I did. I'm snoozing today. G says blurred type. Sorry. Nice to see you. Good morning. Right? I try to read everything. It doesn't always work out. Guys, there are your levels on bonk. right? We know that our first support level to the downside is 5 zeros and a 496. Guys, we bleed these moving averages. We are right here. Hence the planning, says Farrell. Guys, Farrell does the same thing that I do. Blake does it too, right? We look at the higher time frames. We plot out the higher time frames, and then we work from there, right? We are planning more than we are trading, and when you do that, you can become a profitable trader. Guys, if you want to become a profitable trader and you want to learn how to chart first, which, guys, you should not be trading on leverage unless you know how to chart. If you want to figure out how to chart and you want to learn, come and join my group. I know it is hard for us to get off of this app, and it is hard for us to commit to a paid group. However, it is 7 days free right now. Come and try it out. I'm going to teach a class in there in an hour. You can unmic. You can ask all the questions you want. We have support from a ton of people in there. It is in the link in my bio. Come learn how to chart and to trade and become a profitable trader, not somebody who's gambling, right? I see a head and shoulders potential in the daily chart. Start February 5th. There we go, Solom, right? A little bit of Phil Collins, right? Yeah, I see it on the daily chart on Bonk or on BTC. If it happens to break down, hits 38,752. Guys, Solom's saying he's seeing a head and shoulders on the daily. And actually, Solom, you know what? You see a head and shoulders, and I have a bear flag. They both have the same target. That's why, right? The left and head already formed. Exactly. Guys, what I will say is this. Am I bullish? Am I bullish midterm right now? No, I am still not. I am bullish on the day right now because we are having fun and we are having a bullish day. However, if we don't get up and over those resistance levels, I'm not bullish, guys, right? I'm not bullish. Here we go. I'm going to give you the levels for the day, right? Yeah, the left and the head are already formed. I see that. And guys, here's what Solomon is talking about, right? Here's what Solomon is talking about. Shoulder, head, shoulder, right? And look at what's at the end of that head and shoulders. Guys, I have to be cautious, right? Phil Collins is a legend. Yes, he is. Guys, we have to be cautious because what's at the bottom of that, at that head and shoulders? This bear flag. Guys, this bear flag brings you down to 38K. That's why I'm saying 38K, okay? Here we go. Let's go to the lower time frames. Let's see what's happening here. I know we're pushing, guys. We're pushing. That RSI wants to push us, right? It's strong. Here we go. Look at this. Guys, here's your levels for the day on BTC. Look at this. Money flip at the top of the channel, right? We are rolling over on the Stokes a little bit. We are a little bit gapped on the Stokes. We have to be careful, right? But that's the 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 8 hour, right? 8 hour, my favorites. Oh, look at the 8 hour RSI pounding up to the upside. Agreed. Don't think we're here for the long dip again, I think. Yeah, I think we're going to dip again. Hundreds too, right? Guys, the RSI is pushing up aggressively, right? And we are gapped. It's telling us we have time. 8 hours looking good to me. 8 hours is my favorite time frame, right? 4 hour. We are, we're so aggressively turned up on the 4 hour. Guys, here we go. Here's your levels to the upside. We break up to here. Now we know that this bull flag is still in effect. Have we hit the target? No. You have so many groups on your bio. Which one can we choose, please? Mufti. It is the assistant. Would you, I'm going to ask my assistant to just message you. It is the first link in my bio. So it is the Level Up Crypto Group, and you can join from there. Maria, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate you. BTC, USDT in bios come fast. Guys, do not follow that person. Here we go. Guys, we know we have this bull flag right here. It hasn't hit the target yet? No, it hasn't, right? We are going up. Here we go. We are going up, thinking we could go up to 69, hit the big resistance there, and maybe drop. As Solon, that is exactly what I'm thinking now, right? That is exactly what I'm thinking now. Here we go, guys. We break this up. Where's the top of the bull flag, guys? Top of the bull flag is right here at 67,652. We get up there very, very... Guys, what did I say? 68.8. We get up and over 68.8 or 69. I will think this is a sustained move. Until then, I think this is a pop-up to come down. Okay? Watch yourselves. We have news coming in this week. We have numbers coming in this week. We have a new Fed chair. Be careful, right? Here we go. Here's your levels to the upside. Levels to the upside on BTC. It does look like it wants to push up with all of the other assets, guys. 3 Alloy, thank you for the follow. First level to the upside, 67,386. Guys, what are these levels? We get up and over 1 to the upside. We are usually going to try and run at the next one. Kind of like the fib levels, right? We get up and over that one, we're going to run at the next one. That's why the levels are important. The targets are not so much, right? The levels are levels of resistance and support. We get up and over them. More than likely, we're going to run. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, right? I have made mistakes in the last week, and I have made multiple mistakes in my career. Do not take this as financial advice. Do not trade, buy or sell based on what I say alone. You guys should be double checking your work, right? I should never be losing money or gaining money for anyone, me personally. You guys should be doing that on your own. XLM and CC broke out. Link to join. DTCC, Money Flow Confluence. Guys, if you want to learn how to do this and you want to learn how to trade, first link in the link in my bio. Come on in. 11:15, Damon, thank you. Here we go, guys. Levels to the upside. First level to the upside, we've already tapped. Second level to the upside, 67,386. Third level is a target at 67,773. That is your bull flag target. Fourth level is right here at 68.8. Guys, that is my level. We break out of there, we're going to run to this level at 70,871. We break out of there, guys, then I'm a little bit bullish. I'm more bullish, right? There are your levels to the upside. Levels to the downside. First level of support that we have to hold is 65,493. I think this wants to push. Damon, thank you. I think a lot of these want to push, guys. I think everything we've charted right now wants to push. The RSI is looking strong and aggressive to the upside, right? XLM up 21%. Stefan, you got to get that money back. There we go, right? There we go. BTC at a major resistance. Let's go, guys. We're at a major resistance right now. First level to hold of support is right here. Guys, your first inkling that we are losing support on any asset right now. Let me just, I'm going to actually turn this down for a second so that I don't have to yell. Guys, your first clue that we are losing the move to the upside, and I'm going to say this very clearly because I want you guys to be watching your charts. The first clue or alert that we are losing this move to the upside is if we start falling through all of these moving averages on the 1 hour. We start to do that on the 1 hour, and it starts to look like the 4 hour is then curving to the downside, and so is the 8 hour, and so is the 1 day, and so is the daily. Guys, that is your alert to maybe heed caution. Okay? That is how I see when we are rolling over most of the time, is I see it from the 1 hour when we break the moving averages and open a 1 hour candle below them. If I think we're going long. That should be your alert that something is wrong. Okay? Well, I'm right 5 minutes through the 8 hour charts, rolling over. Let's go, guys. Right? Let's go. We roll over on the 1 hour and we roll below these moving averages and open a 1 hour candle. Guys, you have got to watch it. Believe that what that chart is telling you. This is a Monday. Guys, here we go. Let me just bring this down. What Farrell is saying is, guys, we're on a Monday before a triple witching, FOMC, and a possible peace deal. Do not trust these pops this week until we get confirmation, okay? Until we get through all of this. These moves, treat them as moves, not the whole dance, right? Treat them as moves, not the whole dance. And if you treat them like that and you make sure to place your stops and you take profit when you're supposed to, guys, then you'll be okay this week. Do not treat this as if we are going full time to the upside. I will not be treating it like that. No complacency this week, folks. 1 day at a time, make them prove it. That's right, says Complex. I am 100% writing this back down. Guys, make them prove it. Right now, they have proved nothing, except that they can pump us to the upside for a short period amount of time, right? That's it. False move Monday, right? Do I think that we're coming all the way back down tomorrow? I don't know, right? I don't know. But guys, be cautious, right? It has helped me out to be cautious at every step of the way. Okay, here's your lower levels. First one is right here, 64,633. We dropped that. We're dropping the moving averages on the 1 hour, right? Agree with that 100%. Guys, be careful. Make them prove it. They don't prove it, guess what? We're coming back down. The war isn't over. It's only a piece of steel for now with the straits open. Exactly. Anything could happen. 64,633, first level to the downside. Next level is a cross point, guys. We get down to 62,309. Very, very likely we're going to have some reaction. Okay? Here's your next level right here, 61,191. And your final level, that is not the wick, is 60,201. We bleed that level, guys. I'm going to be looking at this wick right here for our last major level, right? 57,509. Japan meets tomorrow regarding interest rates. There we go, guys. We're breaking resistance. Let's go. Right? 59,282. Guys, there are your levels. It looks like it wants to push today. Remember, we bleed those levels. I got the link down. Great, Mufti. I'm so glad. Guys, thank you to the people that have joined my school today. I'll be in there in 40 minutes to teach a class. If you guys want to jump in there, right? If you guys want to jump in there and learn how to do what I do and what these guys are learning in here every single day, there's a ton of people in this live that are in my school. Guys, it is a school, right? We have classroom, we have study guides, we have classes every single day, including a stream on Saturdays, and we do lives at night run by my mods. You guys want to jump in there? Come jump in. It's 7 days free right now. Come try it. Why not? Right? Why not? We just broke 125 on XRP, Stefan. Right? Here we go, guys. There we go. Derek. Good morning. The Derek is here. I was wondering where you and Lewis have been. Right? Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I am Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to end now. I do have a class to teach. Two things. You want to join that class and join the school. It is a paid group. However, it's 7 days free right now. All you have to do is click the link in my bio. That goes to my link tree. Click on the Level Up Crypto group and join us and come and learn, right? There's a great group in there, guys. That is something, again, that supports my channel. I am full-time crypto. So when people ask why I have a class or why I have an affiliate link, that's why. All of it supports my channel, guys. And I appreciate every single one of you who have supported my channel, taken classes, join with my affiliate link. I am a big affiliate for Bitunix, guys. Thank you. I have been trading on them for 2.5 years. If you guys have not tried out Bitunix and you are a leverage trader, if you would join with my invitation code, you guys get a 20% bonus on deposit on anything over $100, right? Up to a $400 bonus. That means if you deposit $100, you get $20 back in a trading bonus. If you deposit $2,000, you get $400 back in a trading bonus. Guys, that's a huge bonus, right? You can also enter our trading competitions. You also get periodic rewards. And if you are a VIP trader on another platform and you can prove your volume and you join with my invitation code right here, Bullish Babe, all you do is go to bitunix.com, put in Bullish Babe. If you are a VIP, join with my code, email the assistant, and you have to prove your trading volume for a certain amount of time, and we can get you the same VIP status on Bitunix. We have our own rep. His name is George. He is wonderful. And he helps us whenever we have a problem with anyone and their account. So we have someone to actually reach out to there to try and get it solved, right? Thank you guys for doing that. I have a date with the assistant to fix mine this afternoon. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you to my mods who are absolute fire and volunteer. If you're not making money, you're not making sense, says my husband. Crypto Chick is in here. I don't know if that's the real one. I hope it is, and if it is, thank you. She is an unbelievable creator, right? Thank you, Stefan. I appreciate you. I hope that you make that back today, right? Guys, if that is the real Crypto Chick, if someone could check if it is, guys, you should be following the real Crypto Chick. She is unbelievable. She has been one of my favorite creators for a very long time. Since I got into crypto, I think I've been watching her. So before I ever became a creator myself, give her a follow. Guys, thank you for hanging out in here today. My mods are fire. Money Talk, the assistant, Rude Boy, Eric Watson, Lady Long Term, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, Dream to Action, and B Rose. Guys, thank you so much. That is the real crypto chick. Thank you so much for being in here. I'm glad I made it to your live the other day for a couple of minutes. Thank you so much for being in here. Guys, she is such an inspiration to a lot of creators on here. Thank you so much for being in here. If you don't follow her, go and follow her. She is championing the creators in here, both men and women, and she is an unbelievable role model, especially for me, and she breaks things down so wonderfully. Exciting morning today, Chelsea. XLM 23%. Yay for the bully. Guys, thank you to Farrell and Blake and Skyman and ARC and J Dan. J Dan is not an official part of the team, but he comes in here and helps us out with the fibs and the Elliott wave. Guys, thank you for being the hive mind in here. You guys are unbelievable. I'm richer by the minute, says the Derek. I love that. Leo, thank you. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. Thank you to every single one of you. You guys make my day every single day. Thank you for being the crew and the community that is not just supportive of me, but supportive of other creators in here. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me as much as you have. And lastly, and most importantly, we are put here on Earth to serve others, right? Rude Boy is up $600 from $80 today. Guys, he is learning and growing, and I'm so proud of you, right? Listen up, guys. We are put here on Earth, no matter what your religion, what your political preference is, who you are, what you have, it doesn't matter. We are only put on this earth for one reason, and it is to serve others. And if we are not doing that and lifting people up every single day, we are not doing this life right, and you are slacking, right? That doesn't mean you have to have a lot of money to do it, or you have to be a creator on a platform. It doesn't mean that. What it means is that every single day you do something that enriches somebody else's life. And what that causes is a ripple effect. And I know that a lot of people will say that, hey, I'm just one person. What can I do? Guys, those ripples, they attract other ripples, right? And that attracts a big ripple. And what that does is it actually changes our world one person at a time. And if we can do that, right, and lift people up every day, guys, they will pay it forward too. It is the only way. One ripple can create a wave, exactly. It is the only way that we change our world, guys. Our world needs a change, obviously, right? And with people thinking that they can pass the buck and that they don't have to do it, guys, we each have to do it, right? We are here to do that. And if we're not doing that, we're not doing our job, right? We're not doing our job. So live in gratitude. Be thankful for what you have and share it with those who need it, right? That is what we do every single day. That is what we try to do in here. We need to create a big wave, guys. And in here, if we just start with 127 people in here and we each do one good thing for somebody else today, that is where we grow and we move and we do and we make a big difference, okay? We kill hatefulness with kindness, point blank, period. Exactly, right? Exactly. Thank you guys so much for being here. I adore every single one of you. Have a great day. Please go and support Cosmic, right? I know he is going through a hard time right now, but guys, he has a lot of good information. And as much as whatever happened, go and support him and lift him up, right? That's what we need to be doing today instead of doing the other thing around, or the other way around, right? So go and do that. I will practice what I preach. And you guys go, there is a space and there's grace for everyone here. Go and do that, okay? Have a great day, guys. Have a great day. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.